of the work week, start of beautiful things coming, y'all. How are we? Come on in, children. Come on in. Come on in. I'm getting loud. I'm getting rowdy, guys. I got energy galore. Who wants it? Hype, hype, hype. What's going on? Go bam! How the frick are we, man? Good to see ya. Woo! All right. Come on in. Come on in, folks. Come on in. Let's get comfortable. I got big news today. I got big news. And it involves something here, y'all. I got something here to show you. CoLateral beta is out. It is out, guys. We have finally done. Well, it's done. It's done. Okay. We have finally got the beta out, ready to play with, ready for you guys to have a good time with. About darn time, y'all. Oh my word. It took over like 3 days after I said I was gonna launch it to actually play around and get it functioning. But finally, guys, we got it up and at it. CoLateral beta. What is the URL? So device, I will quickly just add in the Discord in here. If you don't already have me on Discord, make sure you just send me a DM. Let's freaking go. Just send me a DM on Discord. I'm gonna link it in the YouTube right now. And I will give you a license to play around with it. Free for 14 days. All I ask is that you simply just let me know what I need to do different about it, what I need to fix up, okay? And we're gonna ship updates throughout those 4 weeks. And, 2 weeks. And with those updates, we're gonna have a freaking firm application, y'all. So I'm just gonna throw that in the chat. What's going on, chat? Y'all been busy? Did y'all work today? Did y'all vibe code today? Let me know how it was. Guys, we have been absolutely blowing up on YouTube lately. Oh my word, good stuff. Okay, gonna throw it into the chat here. Wake up! Wake up, Tuppy! Where's our music? There we go. What's up, Jose? What's up, Paint? Tuppy has got himself a license of CoLateral. Absolutely loving it, guys. I will link the Discord. The best way to get yourself a license is to simply DM me and ask, okay? Giving away free licenses for a 2-week trial of CoLateral. Play around with it. Let me know what's wrong with it. And then after those 2 weeks, baby, we hope to ship it out to the world, y'all. And if you like it yourself, yeah, by all means, please please support the content. Please buy yourself a subscription to CoLateral. Things are going to be beautiful. My final pricing has not been determined yet. But here, I'll just do a quick message. Join Discord and DM me for CoLateral. There we go. Well, boom, off. And we're gonna pin it, baby. Pin it. Stick a pin in it, y'all. Absolute pin. How are we doing, Paint? Jose, Device Delight. Oh, good to see you guys. So yeah, huge news is that CoLateral is working as a desktop application. And I've tested it on both PC and Mac. And it works. It works. It's not perfect. There's some fixes that need to be done. Sent you a security audit just a second ago. Wake up! You got it. Mini AI widget that pops up notifications when your agent's done. You can open it or just send a prompt by pasting your widget or dismiss, etc. That's awesome. Paint, I will implement your fix up right here. We got our agents cooking away. Guys, it was such a disaster. I need to tell you guys this. It was such a disaster in getting CoLateral shipping because my GitHub usage maxed out 3 days into the new month. 3 days. Because in like me trying to actually like get it published and everything, it just like had too many GitHub like send out. So I was like, oh my word. And then And then Vercel, I hit a limit there, and I'm like, oh goodness. And of course, y'all know, like, trying to get things signed, having issues here and there. Mac is signed, and I'm really proud of that. PC is not signed, but it's as easy as, like, you just, like, bypass it. Mac, I literally couldn't, like, actually ship it to you guys unless I had it signed, so I did what I did there. Do I play Fortnite? I don't, my friend, but we ship CoLateral. That's what we do. So there we are. You will make it. Thank you, Roblox. Appreciate it, man. I believe so. I believe we will 100% make it. So yeah, sending over here. I got some markdown file from Paint that I gotta throw in. It's a security audit. So after we just implemented all our licenses and stuff like that, of course we want to implement our security audit. So guys, I am so proud to announce our first prompt of the day is coming in from a user of CoLateral right now, a tester. I will open up a Claude session, and this itty bitty corner that, oh, you guys can't even see it. I gotta move because it's such a big deal, y'all. 34 of you guys coming in early. How are we? Okay, gonna sauce in that markdown file. And guys, we have keys. We have keys to give out. Attached is it? Okay, hold on. Sorry. I gotta do it. All right, y'all. Who here is ready for the first prompt of the day? Attached is a markdown file of a security audit that I received from a beta tester of CoLateral. You need to review this markdown file. Review if anything implemented in this markdown file would break any existing functionality of CoLateral, or anything inside of it could potentially sabotage it. Review it to make sure it's clean, and then start to implement the security aspects of it into our code base, ready to go for the next update. Boom. Send that off, baby. W's, let's freaking go. Off and at it. So guys, how it's gonna work is we're simply going to take your requests for anything that you suggest that needs like a little bit of changing in CoLateral. One thing that had been suggested is if you have just a small window here, you can't scroll down in these settings. Very critical if you have a smaller monitor. What else? I was told that like the sensitivity to pan is way too sensitive. Kind of subjective, but let's do it there. But and then yeah, so I think when everyone by default, when they launch CoLateral, they'll have something where it says the failed to launch the local bridge. So actually getting the agents up and at it, that fails, unfortunately. So there's no agentic functionality in the current state of the beta right here. So we're gonna ship an update that fixes that up real quick. And yeah, let's go take a look at what that looks like, y'all. Set a sensitivity setting. Yeah, you're right. That's what it's got to be. What I'm eating. You guys guess what I'm eating? This is a peanut butter sandwich with Triscuits inside of it. Triscuits, give it some extra crunch. I just uploaded a car app today about taking care of yourself, making sure you're getting a good sleep, working out. Eating the right food is important. As I eat this, we're having fun, guys. Let's have at it. And guys, thanks for being patient, of course, with this whole shipping of our beta. Of course, y'all know I was having a lot of technical troubles with it. I was having just like so many things happen at once. I had to go to Vegas on Saturday, so appreciate you guys being patient. Merely says I applied for the beta. Did you just do it online? Because if you had it online, I gotta make sure that I can actually get the emails, because I was having troubles with that. Like, it wasn't sending emails to me saying that someone was interested in shipping that. So Merely, if you're on Discord, send me a DM there and I'll give you a license. Yeah, I keep having, oh dear. Yeah, it's, what a disaster. YouTube got me here. Let's freaking go. Welcome to the vibe coding world here. You've come to the right place, baby. W, Welcome, brother. We got a good community here. Hope you can enjoy your stay. Subscribe to the channel if you want to stick around. Join a great community of vibe coders here. We have just shipped a beta of our CoLateral world here. And we're giving everyone in the chat some beta licenses. So make sure you join the Discord, subscribe to the channel, and I will sauce you over a beautiful license. Okay, proceed with the next prompt, and then we're going to package this with another terminal that's ready to set up update 1.0.4. Let's freaking go, y'all. Yeah, so I had some troubles with, what was it? Trying to get that email. Yeah, now it's just saying Vercel is being an issue. Proceed with the next prompt. I need to ensure that we can get requests via email on the website, through the website when people like sign up for the beta there. Let's freaking go, y'all. Oh, also, I want to show you guys this. We got DeepSeek in here. I don't plan on using DeepSeek for anything too important, but I want to show you that it works, and it's really cool as a CLI in here. Like what's a cool thing, for example? Hey, I'm doing a private beta launch for CoLateral today, and I need you to like come up with a couple different like marketing things that I could do for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube posts, all that sort of distribution. What should I post for this launch? And look at that. It's got like fish that swim. Look at the fish, baby. Look at the fish, y'all. Look at them cook. So pretty cool stuff. Have you finished your project? We're just ready to ship the beta launch for free to people who are ready to go. So just make sure you join the Discord, send me a DM if you want a license, and we will distribute that to you, my man. Let you play around with it, tell me what's wrong with it, and we will fix up those problems. All right. Proceed with that next prompt. Yeah, like I said, problems with Vercel, problems with GitHub. Couldn't get Mac authorized. Can't get Gmail going. Oh, make videos? Yeah, I just don't want it to be like too AI hustled. Found your channel this week, and I'm vibe coding an app myself as well. Quite early version still, but it's starting to take shape. Good luck with yours. Sebastian, any time to start is a great time to start, no matter how early, man. Just keep your chin up. Stay dedicated. Did I hear my doorbell? Oh, well. Keep your chin up, man. All will be well. Also, DeepSeek rules. I use it to code my app. Let's go. Convince an influencer to make a video on it. Yeah, Tuppy, do you want to make a video? And Vercel tier limits. Yeah, proceed with that next prompt. My agents have gotten good enough in which, like, they literally come up with the next plan. I'm like, yeah, that's great. Have a great stream. Thank you, Best Box. Good to see you here. I always burn through my 20x limit in one day. That is bonkers. Bonkers to rip through that. And guys, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Well, there we go. We're finally gonna commit to it, guys. We're gonna get Grok. If it's gonna be like my real-time agent talking inside of CoLateral, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it. Guys, we are manifesting being the best vibe coders out there in the scene. We need to have Grok. They pulled me in. They absolutely lured me in, guys. Hey, hope you're doing well. Hope you good miss past couple streams. What's the news with launching? the beta is out, so make sure you go to CoLateral.engineering. Check it out there, download it, and then go to the Discord and just DM me if you want to license, and I'll give that over to you. All right, sorry. Guys, it's dinner time where I am, so sorry. I'm just eating a sandwich. Okay, why did I open these two? Oh, no. You know what, y'all? We will get X. We will get Grok going. Okay, so... Okay, I'm a bit worried, actually. We got a couple of these terminals, like, interfering with each other, so we gotta fix that up. And guys, I'm gonna stand up. You shouldn't stand up and eat, but... Grok doesn't get an upgrade in 3 to 4 days. I wouldn't use it before. Yeah, but like, we're just getting it out before it becomes cool, you know? Okay. So waiting on this agent to come up with something, and then we're gonna merge that and that to do update 1.0.4, which should get people's agents cooking. In the meantime, I know I got some Discord DMs. Let's frickin' go. Merely wants a key. Let's frickin' go. Let's frickin' go. I'll sauce it over to you. You shouldn't stand up and eat. It's not good for digestion. It's easier to choke. Just like sit down, stay calm. You can't move around. You know. Okay. Merely, I'm sending you a key as we speak. It is good for the next 14 days. So play around with it. Do all you want with it. And it is all yours. Well, boom. Just like that. Okay. What do we want to see now? Yeah, my week free, they don't bill you until the end of the week. Like I said, if you cancel, you get 3 months up to 30 up front, so $10 a month averaged out. What's that in reference to? They have a week of free Grok if you cancel before the week is up, they offer. I think I've already used that. No problem on that subscription there. Okay, so yeah, once again, waiting for that there. Guys, we're just gonna focus on like fixing up the CoLateral experience for beta testers today. My Capital Command Center, I've realized like the whole idea of having agents and orchestration inside of your application, like honestly, like new applications moving forward, this has to be the way. This has to. So my Capital Command Center, I'm trying to implement the same thing. Apparently I have Grok implemented into it, so it should work. Voice control of Capital Command on your XAI subscription, everything built and released, signing works. Huh. All right, guys, I might bite the bullet and just get it. Seriously. Sorry, this is a peanut butter sandwich, so it's really hard for me to like talk and eat it at the same time because it's just, you know, it's too much peanut butter. It's too much, y'all. Okay, waiting on that. And yeah, guys, I am testing it on this puppy. Tarmac, how are you, man? Long time no see. Leg steps got 1 second of us, and it's interesting what we got here. How do I get free Grok for a week? Yeah, let someone in chat will direct you to that. But we are building, well, we have built CoLateral, which is a structural engineering application workspace with agent orchestration agents implemented in here. We are offering free beta access. This is a beta right now. So for the next 2 weeks, you can play around with this. Throw your Claude agents in here, your ChatGPT, all based on your subscription. And simply just let it fly. So 2 weeks of that for free. Just DM me on Discord if you want to get yourself access to it. And of course, subscribe to the channel, y'all. Don't forget about that. How do you make sure that different agent sessions don't work on the same files? They're pretty good at actually letting me know. They're like, oh, by the way, I found this other thing that kind of conflicts. So I try to watch out for that. Okay. And yeah, like we said, guys, literally, I will take your complaints, and as you can see here, I will literally just paste them right into Claude and fix them. Okay, and then we will ship it as an update. When you guys are inside of CoLateral and a new update comes, you'll literally see a top banner here that says update. So you just go ahead, accept that, install the update, and then yeah, the fixes should be implemented in that. So yeah, some significant changes that we have to make are regarding actually getting the agents in. I got lucky in which mine were in, but there's some bridging issue. Hopefully you don't crash today. Kenneth, don't jinx it, my man. You cannot jinx that. Because my Wi-Fi was not doing too well. Oh yeah. And of course, it is the start of the Bridge Mine Vibe-a-thon. I'm gonna move my chair because I'm gonna force myself to stand up. Unskippable title. You mean like cutscene? Is that how boring I am, guys? Unskippable cutscene? Come on. So yeah, it's not a title that you can skip it right there. You got your agents right in here. Does it use CLI or API? This is all CLI. Bring your own subscription into it. Oh, baby. But obviously I ran out of Grok usage. So if I try to use voice. Hey, just seeing if Grok, you're listening to me here. Oh. Grok, are you listening to me? So it works as an orchestration. Like this is working as speech to text.
Yes, I'm listening.
Do you guys hear that? Okay, what voice model is this that's talking to me as a robot?
I hear you, but I can't see which text-to-speech voice model the app is using.
Open a Claude agent on the canvas. Okay. Serial killer stuff. Yeah, that is not Grok. You guys remember the nice, pretty, like, Eve voice that we had last stream? This ain't it, y'all. And then add an agent, like... Okay, this shouldn't pop up. Okay, beautiful. Our updates are done here. Oh, it already did the update. Oh, interesting. Okay, I want you to then combine what you have so far with this on the update where we have just like it says add an agent setup. This is old and redundant. Like now agent, like when I say like pull up a Claude agent, it should pull up a Claude terminal.
Cloud agent card to the canvas. I'll inspect the available canvas actions to use the supported command for opening a cloud agent. I'm opening a cloud agent on the canvas. I stopped after 6 rounds of actions. Say continue if there is more to do.
Okay, what voice model is this? This is not Grok. This is not Grok. Like, how did we get this Timu?
Okay.
Stop! I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna go to bed, and I'm gonna like talk to myself in my sleep, and this thing is gonna talk back. I need to shut down my computer tonight. Oh my word. Okay, what did we do? This is on ChatGPT now? Chat, you can do better than that. There's no way. I'm so confused. I literally just need to ask a Claude session in one of our terminals. Like, how did it get that? Want to do a push-up? I'd love to do some push-ups. Guys, we get the counter to 1650. I will do a round of push-ups. I know I gotta pay off my debt. We're at 299. I tried to keep it at 269, but y'all keep subscribing, baby. Thank you. 613 is asking, what are we trying to build? We're trying to get a beautiful grok orchestration voice inside of CoLateral here, but we got like some robot. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how we got that. All right, Claude, guide us out of here. Okay, dude, I subscribed. Once we get, oh, guys, we're at 1640. Thank you. 10 more subscribers. We will get to 1650. That'll be a beautiful, I'll do 50 push-ups, okay? 50 push-ups in a row. So build with AK. Make sure that you go tell your friends to subscribe. Make sure you tell all your vibe coding buddies. Come down to the channel. Check out what Nick's building. And yeah, get yourself a free beta license of CoLateral, the all-in-one engineering workspace of the future. It's a very good TTS model that can run on really low RAM, zero cost. That's text to speech. What about like speech to speech? Does it work that way? British accent's always nice. Yeah. Hey, okay, so I ran out of grok usage, so therefore I'm not using grok real-time voice anymore. And now, like, I'm using CoLateral, and it has like a little bit of a delay, and it has like a very robotic speech to speech voice. Can you tell me what this is? Because I'm pretty sure like GPT wasn't working for me because it was like connected to API. Yeah, very, very, and it wouldn't tell me. Spawn a Claude terminal. Claude is working on it. 4.2 billion, you know it, baby. Yeah, once we get these agents, this orchestration thing cooking, oh my word. What are your thoughts on mechanical structural engineering with through AI tools like Claude doing the work like code? Very, 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 very spectacular what it's able to do. Obviously, you still need an engineer to like review everything and have its audit over it. You know, you can wire in local voice using local models for both sides, as speech to text, text to speech. This is probably whatever Claude chose for your text to speech implementation. Microsoft default, maybe. Build with AK, what's up? Oh, do it right now, please. Oh, you want the push-ups? Do a push-up and I'll get you 7 more subs. You want 1 push-up? I gotta pull up my push-up counter anyways, so be patient with me, guys. I will pull that up. Oh, let's see if DeepSeek wants it. Hey, pull up my push-up counter. People on live stream want to see it really bad. Here we go. I'm very curious, like, to see how much DeepSeek. Guys, I was playing with DeepSeek, although I was giving it like itty bitty prompts. It costed like a 1/10 of a cent to play with it. So we're gonna be having that for a while. Okay, so we got ourselves some keys there. That's working on some updates. Okay, so it says what it did. No, that is not Cedar from GPT real time. That is definitely not. What? Add a device voice picker. So to get the natural voice back, put an OpenAI key. Yeah, so it just, like you said, it just did like whatever default Claude could find. Real time. Okay, can you confirm that this is like a free voice model that you found? better. Like it is, but I'm just like curious, like where. WebKit speech recognition. This is literally like default Microsoft SAM. Yeah, that's funny. So if you want the quick voice, yeah, of course, pay for it. Oh, Paint, I won't forget you. Don't you worry. Window giveaways to make money, because you don't make money by giving it away. Hyper has some that are pretty good. Interesting. Build the desktop, install it, and ship it. Let's proceed with the next prompt. Okay, I think, yeah, it recognized this as a different update compared to this, so there might be like a little 1-2 that comes in for CoLateral, y'all. What is your vision for CoLateral? Is it supposed to be an alternate to any existing structural engineering programs? Yeah, to like AutoCAD and Revit. There's some like drafting functionality that comes into here. Engineering tools, like people's typical spreadsheets, they're able to throw their own in and make their own. Like if I say, hey, drop a spreadsheet, then it should drop one. And I told it, like, when you drop a tool card, like, make sure you, like, go focus on it. There we go. Okay, so it did it. Dropped it in the canvas. Okay, that's good. But it still says it's still working. Okay, I want you to, like, infill this spreadsheet with a ton of random numbers. But it's still queued behind the running task of spawning it. Like, it already did its job, but it's still working. So, guys, that's what we got to fix up here. Woo, Nick's stream to tide me over while I wait for my clock to reset in 1 hour and 11 minutes. You've come to the right place, baby. Welcome back here, my man. I'd like to know what the website landing page is of your SaaS. It is colateral.engineering. Anyone who's interested, do an exclamation mark CoLateral in the chat to get some information there. Okay, and this did not do that correctly. I want you to infill a bunch of numbers into the spreadsheet randomly. Come on. Come on. I still can't. No right tool reaches. Oh, goodness. That's yours to fill. Guys, like... Okay, you know what? Actually, Claude just came up with an idea. We can make the free path sound less like 2010 without touching billing. At a device voice picker, we could do that. Uh-oh. Okay, sorry, everything was freezing up there. Yeah, make the voice picker change and make the free path sound less like 2010 as per that next prompt. Why is this not snapping? Guys, are we having more internet issues? Are we having more? Oh, goodness. Come on. Oh! There we go. And one thing I recognize, like, I certainly have to do a reset of my computer every night. I can't just keep it on overnight because it gets slow. I'm a construction engineer from the Netherlands, and we use AutoCAD and Revit all the time, so I'll be following this closely. That's awesome to hear, Sebastian. Yeah, like we said, we're trying to... we've had some talks with some people online, and they said, yeah, like, instead of trying to make an alternative to Revit, what if you, like, had some API connectivity to it? So eventually we will be able to connect your existing AutoCAD and Revit files into here. Where's connectors? Google Workspace, Autodesk platform. So yeah, you'll eventually be able to like plug in your actual AutoCAD, Autodesk enterprise into CoLateral. This is just a beta test we're doing. Builds wants the push-up. We will get it at 1650. So tell your, like, that's how it goes. I got to get the subscriptions first, and then we do it. And we have to do it multiples of 50, or else I'd be doing push-ups every 2 seconds. And then people will be like, well, I didn't come here for a push-up live stream. And then we wouldn't actually get subscribers. No, we're good right now. Thank you for confirming, Tuppy. No, that's not how it works, Build AK. You gotta be patient. I promise we will do them. I promise we will. Claude subscription, my man. That's what we're using. Hello. How is your builds of vibe coding project going? Any tips for other vibe coders? If you're really starting off, just get a Chat GPT $20 a month subscription. If you're like somewhere in the middle, yeah, make sure you get yourself in an agentic development environment like this. This is Warp, but eventually we're going to try to move all that into CoLateral. It's just my orchestration agent wasn't working too hard there. I'm here for the push-up. Tarmac, come on, don't feed him. What's going on, Nick? How are you doing, Trailblazer? Yes, Revit connections will be huge. The big firms won't change over fast. No, because it costs so much for them to like learn how to move over. How much do you pay for Claude subscriptions? $200 a month, American. So imagine that. Bro's on a marathon. Let's go, baby. Yeah, we absolutely are. We have absolutely been through it, y'all. I spent like the past like 3 days after I anticipated like an August 1st launch. I spent so much time trying to like fix up CoLateral to actually like get people access into it, and it was still having troubles. Okay, if we can't do Grok for now, implement like very similar. Go into CoLateral and review that and see how we have like cheap free models that can work for speech to speech. Implement this into the Capital Command Center, please. So guys, I just quickly prompted. This is our social media distribution center, which I also have is just it's just a desktop app that I only have for myself, but eventually I think I will ship that as a real app. That's her, Capital Command. Just takes a second to load, but it's where I get all my streams and like turn it into content. Although I haven't been doing that quite frequently because honestly we've just been grinding away at CoLateral. And like we're really just starting to pick up like how streaming goes, to be honest. So oh, we had a DeepSeek agent do our push-up tracker, but it didn't do it. Yeah, this is embarrassing. It looks really pretty at least. And it costs, oh, that cost a cent. That costs 1 cent, guys. Like, I just thought it could pull it up, take over my computer. Like, am I not giving it the right stuff? Oh, well. Okay, this one's just saying, like, CoLateral has launched. It just suggested making videos, of course. DeepSeek doesn't want to do the work. It tells you to do it. Why am I such a savage, baby? That's how we do it. That's how we do it here. Like, AK, I'll tell you, we will get to 1650. We will get there. It's only a matter of when. But if you're not patient, my man. If you ain't patient, I gotta say, that's your loss. Nathan! What's going on? What are your thoughts on the Vibeathon being $50 to join? Yeah, so I was just actually, guys, so after BridgeMind's live stream, we all hopped in a little call together. There's about 45 people, I think, signed up for the BridgeMind Vibeathon. And I think it makes sense because if you put a price tag to it, like, just think if it was absolutely free and this was BridgeMind's thing, literally, like, there's going to be 5,000 people that sign up for it, right? So what this Vibeathon is, it's not necessarily like, don't think of it too much as like a competition against each other. Like, in a sense, it's almost going to be like a little boot camp. Like, we're going to work together to work on marketing our products, to work on how we can ship faster and just be more efficient with our builds. So with that, like, when I was in that call, I thought, oh, this is great. So I wasn't too worried about it. Oh, and Chris is in here too. I'm like, $50 for marketing is not bad. Exactly. Yeah. So Chris is in the Vibeathon with us there too. We just hopped in a call, just to introduce all of us. And yeah, literally, I think of it more as like a boot camp where we're all going to work together. So I'm very happy for joining in on it. And look at that, AK. We got our 1650 subs. Thank you so much. All right, guys, I do have to do some push-ups now. I tried to deep seek it, but Claude just knows where it's at. So I wasted 1 cent on a deep seek prompt. That couldn't get me anywhere. Pull up my push-up tracker, baby. There we go. 69 viewers. I like to see it. Remember, guys, I'm always picky about this, but our goal is 100 likes on this stream. So make sure you like this stream so that this goes all the way to the top of everyone's For You page. It means the world to me when I always see 100 likes on it. It's spectacular. Shows you guys like what you're seeing. And you better, because we are shipping CoLateral for y'all. Push-up counter is working. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so we will do the push-ups very, very soon there, so do not worry. Jack, how's it going? Good to see you here, my man. We're just shipped our structural engineering agentic development environment for free beta testing. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you go into our Discord, join the server, and send me a DM if you want to get yourself access to the all-in-one engineering workspace of the future. Zico, how's it going, man? Congratulations on presenting in the hackathon, or sorry, the Vibeathon little showcase there. I thought you did awesome, man. You did great. Paint's in here, 319 push-ups. AK, it will, once it pulls up my, oh wow, it actually wasn't able to pull it up. These guys are lazy. Oh, it was pulled up, guys. For all I know, that was probably, it was probably DeepSeek that did it. Oh, my camera. Oh no, guys. It collapsed. Look, it's trying to do push-ups. Okay. One moment. I'm going to see if this... There we go. Okay, I'm going to fix this. And guys, I got some chairs to move. And guys, I cannot guarantee this will actually do any sounds. I'm going to move the guitar. Safety first. Oh, and speaking of safety... Speaking of safety, remember guys, when you are about to do any sort of physical activity, remember to always have your safety glasses on, y'all. Let's get to it. Let's crank the music. Let's get friggin' pumped, guys, because the beta's finally out. Oh, about time, y'all. Wait.
Kamehameha. Emotional damage. Emotional damage. Too easy. Nice. Somebody. Sheesh. Kamehameha. That's one. No way. Again. Bruh. He needs some milk. Nice.
What do you guys think of that? What do you guys think? Where did all this come from? Well, this music's crazy, but guys, where did all that come from? Holy smokes. Guys, that is the art of vibe coding. Is you get Microsoft Sam just talking to you out of nowhere. I don't know. That was the first time I heard that. I literally thought when I pulled up the push-up counter, I'm like, I was like, I don't even know if we can get any sound effects working because we had fa only. So every time I did a push-up, it was only fa. I gotta keep doing some more because that is hilarious. That is freaking crazy. Let's do them. It looks like I can do it fast still.
Absolute cinema. Too easy. He needs some milk. Absolute cinema. Let's go. Nice. Skill issue. Emotional damage.
Guys, I can't. Those are so good. Those are so freaking good. Come on, baby. AK, are you happy with your push-ups? Woo! Oh, that is so good. I can't, guys, that's perfect. Because there were copyright issues. It wasn't able to actually take the sounds. So I think Claude just decided, like, it's just gonna throw those in. Holy smokes. Let's freaking go, y'all. Okay. Let's lock in, back to work. What is the yeah, proceed with that next prompt. Oh my word, guys, that was so much fun. Fa is still in there, don't worry. Which IDE are we using? This is Warp. Free agentic development environment, play around with. But I will be showing y'all CoLateral. Mom's basement or dad's basement, baby. Let's freaking go. Okay, let's see what our agents... Oh, this cooked up pretty quick. Yeah, proceed with that next prompt. Build the free voice path in capital command. Holy smokes. Okay, so these are still cooking away. Point API CoLateral. I'm pretty sure I've already told Claude 100 times, stop with this API crap. No one's ever going to buy it. And they're just, they're trying to sell it, guys. Oh, so that was the security audit paint. So I'm going to look through this. Oh, I guess you guys can't see too well, but we're just cooking away there. So I'll keep you guys entertained a little bit longer. Is that Sarge on your shirt? No, this is Julian from Trailer Park Boys. My bank account is 0, baby. We are just riding on this last invoice that went through from Claude. We're hoping we can make it through. There's levels to this, you know it. We are just at the beginning. Okay, so no code, no script, no patch, nothing executable. I ran none of it. Reclaim against main before. Okay. License API broken. Interesting. Yeah, so this looks like it just fixed some like stale things paint. Not too bad. 2 recommendations: would have broken things if applied literally. I did not apply them. Rejecting token. Yeah. Seal license store. Yeah, okay, that's good. Implemented the license store. Oh, just to store people's licenses and their name. Okay. We'll already have that through like a little private little spot. Same squinch. Never heard Trailer Park Boys, but heard of it. You're on the right path, Nathan. You are absolutely on that right path. Okay, proceed with that next prompt safely. Now do the Mac OS entitlements. There we go. Snap. Snap, baby. Let's freaking go. Okay, guys. Yeah, these are taking like 20 minutes to actually ship the update. So I'm going to check my Discord DMs. Actually, Nathan, I'm going to send you over. CoLateral is up and running. So I will send you a license to play with it, man. And appreciate any questions, comments, or concerns you might have. Your YouTube. Nathan, I'll sauce one over to you. Well, boom. What's your friggin' thing? Oh, you just gotta type in N. Okay, giving Nathan a beautiful credit or a license over to CoLateral. Lucky guy. The luckiest. Where the frick are all my things? CoLateral beta. Okay, Nathan. Oh, I just gotta... Sorry, I'm just doing this all off the stream because obviously we don't want to leak out all those licenses and then we gotta like restart everything. Hand it out. Nathan. Nathan gets it, baby. Enjoy CoLateral, baby. Let's freaking go. So can I use CoLateral? Yeah, Trailblazer. Just DM me, say that you're Trailblazer in chat here. The GitHub repo of CoLateral doubled. I haven't looked at it in the last few days. Yeah, Paint, I had literally like, I hit my limit for the month of CoLateral. Like just out of the blue, I got an email saying, oh, you ran out of GitHub usage for the month. And I'm like, what? So I gotta look into that. Guys, I'm really sweaty, woo. Copy. 10-4. Build an anti-doom scroll Chromix. I think that exists already. Got everyone cooked. I think it exists already. But also, like, it wouldn't stop people from doing it on their phone. Mad Max, what's going on? Turn on the AC, Zico says. Ugh, I can't afford that. Well, I have a vent. I can't even reach it. Keep same profile figure in your thumbnails. Add more items, accessories in your background over time. Increase viewers, lurkers, interest in your content. Best of luck with CoLateral. Thank you, Junior Black or JR Black. I've been starting to do that. Like the Red Bull fridge came out. I added like that flag, Toronto Raptors. It's just the thumbnail hasn't changed. So I've considered, yeah, we could like play around with that a bit more. Anything you have to worry about live on stream while AI does coding? Yeah, of course, just like anything confidential, like pasting over keys, etc. I DM you in Discord. Okay. Okay. Oh, Zico. Zico, I will give you a subscription, a license to CoLateral, so stay tuned. And I'd love for you to play around with it, guys. Updates are coming. So if you're like frustrated with, for example, you can't get your like AI subscriptions inside of it, just be patient. That is coming very soon. And when I mean very soon, I mean like literally whenever this prompt finishes. That's been going for 22 minutes. Then it will finally be done. Want to see what I've been building? Yeah, Paint. Send it. DM me whatever you got. I'd love to show it off here. 12 to 14 hours a day of doom scrolling. Oof. By the way, guys, I recognize 1750 subscribers equals eating toilet paper. It is awfully toxic, so make sure you guys don't do that, but I think I'm locked in. I gotta do it. I'm gonna check out CoLateral tonight, by the way. Thank you, Nathan. About to make X posts. Trying to go viral tonight. Let's go. I'll send it to you. Yeah, I'll retweet it. I don't care. I'll do everything you want. You gotta check out CoLateral. Let's go. Let's freaking go, y'all. So yeah, just waiting for that. Okay, this one for 26 minutes just finished up here. Move tag to current main so agentic terminal voices fixes are in. Yep, absolutely. Move the tag to main and build it. There we go. Okay, this is the CoLateral beta messaging. Oh, I see. Check if the deploy went through. I think it's because like my Vercel got cooked. Yeah, my Vercel got cooked today. And I gotta check to see like GitHub. Can you break down exactly what caused both my GitHub and Vercel usage to like cap out instantly? And we need to resolve this ASAP. Let's freaking go. Take off the shirt. Let's go. Lucho, you would want that. At 1700 today, I'll take it off because it is getting hot in here. Absolutely hot. Absolutely nuts, y'all. Okay, I want to see DeepSeek if you have the remotion skill. If you do, like, I'd love to see what a video from you looks like that would capture this based on everything you know of CoLateral. All right, let's see what a 6-cent Remotion video looks like, because that is how much DeepSeek is going to cost for that. All right. Dude, I had to delete a comment from the stream earlier. Well, it was kind of wild. Oh, Nathan Wilden, eh? Check DMs, also reply to me. There you go, my man. I'll check my DMs. I don't see you. Are you Amtori? I got tons of DMs here, so just guys, let me know if you're gonna DM me and your Discord is quite different from your YouTube. Just let me know what it is. Oh shoot. Oh wow. Paint made, guys, we might be cooked here, guys. Seriously. Paint made his own agentic development environment. This is like Canvas CNVS, but cracked. Look at this. This is gorgeous, and it comes with a pet. Oh, I'm not the pet. This is the pet. Look, it comes with a pet. Grok voice. So is that the voice there? Is that pet gonna talk to us? And this has, yeah, this whole beautiful bar here. Oh my word. To organize your stuff. You got like the nice transparent view. This is gorgeous. Oh my word. Congrats, Paint. Let's go. I am Build with AK. Yeah, Build with AK. I haven't gotten your DM yet. So just make sure it's to me at least that you're sending it. Direct messages. Oh, I see. Message requests. Build with AK. Thank you. Okay, I'll send those out, guys. Remember, I only have a limited amount of licenses. Okay, Trailblazer wants one, so I'll get one out to you too, my man. Let the agents cook, you know it. Remember, guys, I'm still looking for many more likes in the stream. Goal is 100, so get at it. Okay, so this one is Trailblazers 33. And there you are, Trailblazers. Enjoy your free 2 weeks to CoLateral. Just gotta set it. And then AK wants one too. So we'll give that over to you too. Sent you a text with an email. Tuffy, what are you talking about? Oh, thank you, Tuffy. I'll take a look at that. And then, so sorry, Build with AK. What's up? Build with AK, can I help you in any way? Yeah, Build with AK. Best help, I think, right now would just be play around with the tool. Let me know what you don't like about it. And yeah, I'll take your advice. I'll literally paste it as Claude prompts, and we'll fix it up, and we'll ship a beautiful app. And hopefully, like, I'm giving everyone 2-week trials with it. If it needs to be longer, then, like, worst case it might be. Then I'll let you guys play with it more. But if I think 2 weeks is quite a bit, and then like by September for sure, we should have a really good app. So Build with AK, I just gave you your license there. So obviously keep that to yourself, or else someone like takes it away from you. How to download the app? Make sure you go to colateral.engineering. That is where you go download for either Mac, Windows, or Linux. Just so you guys know, you will get a warning if you're downloading it on your PC. It will tell your PC like this is harmful. Just bypass that. The only reason why it's saying it's harmful is because I've not paid money to have to sign it. I'm telling you, it's completely fine. The download on Mac is just fine. Linux is good too. Someone get this man a chair? No, I stand up, baby. That's the website there, Build AK. And I'll paste it in chat as well. Collateral.engineer. Yeah, something like that. Woo! All right. 65 viewers. Nice and strong. Okay, these are miscellaneous ones. Vercel should have drained past midnight. Force 1 production. It's my recap here. It's frustrating when this doesn't give me recaps. What's already fixed? Okay. Website commits are standard on main. Yeah, so there's, thank goodness, we got the downloads working because my Vercel limit just like maxed out for free. So the website won't be updated, but the application sure will. Absolutely will. We got Nerves of Steel, you know it, baby. Remember, if you guys are new, subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out on a single thing, baby. We're getting some messages on. Lovely. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. So still, yeah, guys, 30 minutes for these prompts. Like I said, if there was a way in which I could like cleanly orchestrate Opus to plan, Rock to execute as quick as possible, and then like Opus to review it again, I hope that would like slow or just like at least make our prompts a lot faster, because I've been waiting way too long. On my own Linux server, is that free? Because obviously Vercel is like very heavy asterisks on the free. Okay, subscription voice path still transcribes through Chrome, which ships my microphone audio to Google, make the private route. Yeah, proceed with that next prompt. That's important. It was doing like a public voice thing. That's weird. It's like $10 a month, but then I don't run into issues. How much is that compared to like Vercel? Because obviously I'm just using free Vercel, which I will have to eventually pay for, I'd recognize. They built a voice path, server has pushed to cloud. Okay, wire the mic and spoken replies in the UI and then ship the update. I want to see this on my desktop application. So pull up my desktop app, I'll do the update from there and let's see it in action. Let's freaking go. Okay. Yeah, guys, just a lot of waiting. Like the one thing I recognize about vibe coding is like when you're streaming, you want to stay like super, like you want to have fun with your audience. But there's only so much you can do when you have 4 Claude terminals just cooking away. There's not much, and you're just sitting there waiting, you know? So that is the thing about vibe coding. Guys, actually, I got to sit down and have a real talk with you guys. 1 second. Okay. Here's serious talk. I'm sitting down, so you know it's important. Okay. Streaming while vibe coding. Okay? Oh, I realize how dark it's getting, guys. I don't have my light. Okay. I will I'll grab that. 1 second. I see it right here. Okay, y'all. Let's talk about it. Streaming while vibe coding. So, vibe coding is a vibe. You're supposed to have fun with it, right? And you're supposed to just chill out. You're vibing, right? Guys, I 100% will admit it is hard to vibe when like 60 people are watching you, right? And oh man, like I'm 100% serious. Like sometimes I get like, well, like I gotta make sure everyone's having fun, everyone's like enjoying the stream. And with that, it's hard to vibe, and it like takes a lot of energy. Of course, you guys know we got tons of energy here, right? We're screaming, we're sprinting around this basement, we're live streaming for as long as possible. That is all fun and games, right? But I gotta remember, this is more of a note for me. I'm not telling you guys what to do. It's a note for me. You gotta have fun. You gotta vibe while you're vibe coding. I think I was just so stressed about this launch. The fact that I was trying to tell you guys, don't worry, August 1st, it's gonna come out. It's gonna come out. And then I wasn't able to give it to you guys until today. I was a little bummed out and I felt like burnt out. I was stressed because I'm like, I'm disappointing a lot of people. Like I recognize you guys have lives. Like you're not dependent on the launch of CoLateral. And frankly, like if I'm getting it to you for 2 days, like you have tons of time to play with that, right? So I think I was just a little like overwhelmed, stressed out, worried about like, oh, how can I have fun? We're not using Mac. This is a PC right here. You just gotta have a vibe, okay? So literally just let the agents cook. Don't worry about time, stress. Like everyone's on their own journey, right? And I see a lot of the times in the comments like, bro, how are you on day 31? You have 0 revenue. It's like, everyone is on their own journey. Like you're saying, how are you still on $0? Like compared to who? Compared to who? Like you're comparing to other channels where it's like their day 2, they started with $46,000. Like that's not a fair comparison, right? Because everyone starts their path differently. Everyone's like level of vibe coding is all different. All that matters is that you just start, guys. Just get started. Like if you're on day 300 with no revenue, like who cares? Like that is your journey. Don't compare yourself to buddy guy with $46,000 somehow on day 1. You know? What iPhone am I using? Oh, lots of great questions. I have an iPhone XR because I'm from the Stone Ages. Barbaric, I tell you. Certainly. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay. 2 things worth noting. So we might have got the updates shipped. Potentially. Okay, I need you to proceed with this next prompt, and I'm going to test out on my Mac to see if the update went through. Well, I should also be testing on my PC. Like, guys, I want to make sure that I actually have like the real version of CoLateral working inside of here. Like if I go check for updates. Yeah, okay, so there is a latest update, guys. You just have to go to check for updates. I don't think it's good that you have to check for updates. I think like if there's an update that ships, then it should pop up at the top here or something. So I am going to prompt for our next update to do that. But oh, Blogger, I have a MacBook Pro like 2016. Like if you're asking about like just like this laptop that I have, but otherwise I'm working on a PC. Preach, brother, don't get hard, vibe coding live, etc. Yeah, you know it, man. Like that, I hope like if you guys recognize from like yesterday's stream, I think there was a lot of hate that we were getting in that stream, or just like, I don't know, annoying criticism. And it's like, why are you guys coming into these live streams just to say how bad it is? You know, either way, it's like you're supposed to vibe, you're supposed to just have fun, relax. Don't worry about other people's journeys. Seriously. So I highly recommend to you guys, by the way, like just start on your own journey, just have fun. Oh dear. Yeah, run the next prompt. Need some sleep. 4 a.m. in Pakistan. Builds with AK. Thanks for tuning in from Pakistan, and thanks for subscribing, my man. Bro, you were doing great. Thank you. Yeah, criticism makes you harder. Honestly, guys, like, you know you made it when people are starting to chirp you. Like, if nobody's chirping you, like, that just means, like, you're not drawing the right kind of attention to have you chirped. I see it as, like, we're drawing attention, guys. I'm not worried at all. I ain't scared of nothing, y'all. Okay, build with AK is gonna check errors. Okay, and Paint is on the front line looking for errors for us. Could not check for updates. Oh dear. That's interesting. Okay, so Paint just showed us an update here where on Paint's Mac, could not check for updates, none of the fallback platforms. Okay, well that's a very important thing that we gotta get, because if you guys can't even get the updates, like, we can't even, we can't help you at all. 1660 subscribers, thank you guys. I saw someone wants me to do some push-ups. They will come at 1670. I will do the push-ups more often because now the sound effects are hilarious. So guys, keep them coming. Zico, I could play drums, but I don't know if they could pick up from the microphone all the way back here. Lamau, get harder. Get harder. Why, did I slip up and say get harder, guys? Oh, well. Oh, well. Okay, so now Mac. I'm gonna check on my Mac. Just real quick here, guys. So this is my Mac that I had for school, which was awfully silly because like in school for structural engineering, all the applications are on Windows. So like having a Mac, I was seen as stupid for having it. And now that I'm into vibe coding, I have a PC. And then I see everyone has a Mac. And it's like, bro, why are you on PC? I'm like, oh my word. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna check to see if we get the update here. I got one of the licenses. Yeah, and that is I got the same thing as you, Paint. Could not check for updates. That is very unfortunate. Okay. That is going to be a priority prompt we're sending right here, and it's going to have to be Claude. DeepSeek, I'm sorry. You just cannot be dealing with this. By the way, I'll send that prompt, and then we're going to take a look at that Remotion video together, guys. I think I just pasted it as an image. It's going to paste? Probably not. Nick going opposite ways? Yeah, literally. Okay. Significant error right here is people on Mac at least, but it could be the same for anyone else. Well, I just checked on my PC and I can get the updates, but this is the error that's popping up when at least the 2 Mac users that are testing CoLateral beta, when they try to check for an update, it literally says this, could not check for updates. This is very critical because obviously we can't give them a better product if they can't get the updates going. So we need to fix this ASAP, ensure that Mac users can actually like get these updates somehow. Now that I'm thinking about it, if you can't update, how can I ship an update to fix the updates? Like, what does this mean for Mac users? Like, will they have to uninstall CoLateral and then reinstall from the Vercel website, like colateral.engineering? Like, will they have to like re-download the latest from there? Please make it as simple as possible, please, guys. Oh, okay, so Paint, worst case it might be that, but then now I'm realizing that I've used up all the Vercel today, so that means it probably won't like ship it to Vercel, so I'm gonna have to pay for more Vercel today. I'm hyped today because everything worked out. CoLateral got pushed out. We were finding errors left, right, man. Oh, yeah. It is a huge day, guys. I'm so happy. Brandon, what's going on? How are you? They'll have to go download the updatable version. Yeah, like I guess you guys will have to go to the website and download it from there, the update. But then after that, like, it's just that update. That sucks, man. And like I said, hey, maybe... How about this, guys? PC's better. Look, because you can get CoLateral updates. Install and restart. So we'll just close that. Distribution center right there. Just send them a new... Uh-oh. Error open... File while writing. Oh, guys, this could be a catastrophe. No, we just did it. Okay, check for updates. Update. Okay, we're all up to date there. So yeah, PC seems to be A-okay. It might just be a Mac issue, guys. This is my distribution center. So this said I should be able to get like source flow agents. Okay, this is wild. This isn't good because I wanted to see if we could get agents to actually like run the workflow, like go to my YouTube channel, download the latest video, and then sauce it in from there. Which again, this is just like prettier packaging of your subscription. Eve, start talking. I doubt. Okay, so we don't actually have any more Eve. So it's connected. Action items. I don't know whether this means wants toggle or not, but yeah, you're signed in, but we don't have any allowance left. So where's like the Microsoft SAM? Hey, I'm just checking to see if a Claude agent can look at my last pipeline input on one of my car apps. I want to see like what's the update on that. Yeah, it needs API. Okay, this is all still broken. So, okay, that's fine. I did upload a previous pipeline here. It'll show up just right here in a moment. Trippies, what's going on? Good to see you here. Not screaming today. Looks like mom's home. No, I've just been learning, like, all right, take it a bit more easy. Cause J35, my man, oh, like I've had some this weekend, like Saturday after the stream, like crashed, my Wi-Fi was down and I was stressed out about shipping CoLateral. I just had a meltdown. Like I was off stream and I'm like, whatever, it's stupid anyways. So stupid. Okay, so we got everything here. So this is one of my car apps and I'm just trying to show like the workflow, the pipeline, all the way into actually distributing it. So I want to see what these actually turned into. So carousel images, I want to see. Okay, so it made carousel images, but again, it didn't actually like do where it's supposed to take like some screenshots. So guys, a big thing that's like very trendy in like the Instagram world or Facebook, whatever, where you post like images plus text, like is split screen. You have a split screen like that's just a format that works. And I want to get that with some screenshots, but that wasn't doing it there. So we're going to go back to capital command and we're going to say, okay, the carousels came out pretty decent. I think overall, let's just change the font to Arial. And I need you to, when we're like preparing these carousels, the way that I want it done is you take screenshots throughout the video. Like it could be whenever, like just don't make me look ugly. Take screenshots throughout the video and then the image behind the text is going to be screenshots of that video. So it looks like I'm talking those different points. There we go. Simple as that. Yeah, so that was just the other day's little thing there. Not screaming today. Sorry, I got to scroll down, see what everyone's talking about. What's my tech stack? A lot of Claude, a little bit of GPT, and we might be Grok guys kind of soon because I'm having a lot of fun. I have Whisper Flow, but we're going to be done with that pretty soon. In J35, this is just like my social media pipeline. This is just like private to me right now, but eventually I do want to ship this as a real product. It's just we're focusing on getting CoLateral fixed up, but I figured I'm waiting on a bunch of prompts, but now it looks like we're back in action. So we'll put that aside for now, you guys. Let's see what we got. Dun, dun, dun. All right. Okay. So I said this is a big issue, and this is what it says here. For your Mac testers, nothing. The updater reads manifest fresh every check. What does that mean? I wish this would explain to me like I'm an idiot, because I am an idiot. So I'm trying to understand what we're doing here, y'all. What was wrong? The release publishes one universal macOS archive in the manifest, named it under a single key. What does Darwin have to do with anything of this? Like natural selection? It is no concept of universal bundle, so it never asks Darwin universal report exactly. Okay, so verified it against the live endpoint. Fix the generator. Cool. So you guys don't have to do anything. The updater reads the manifest fresh on every check. So pressing check for updates again now works. On 1.0.4, already they'll see you're up to date. On 1.0.3, they'll be offered 1.0.4 and installs place. Both cases ends the error. Okay, verification. Okay, Paint, are you able to test to see on your Mac if that's the case now? Like, I don't know, can you do like a hard refresh of CoLateral and... Oh my gosh, it just fixed it. That's insane. Guys, like, okay, never mind. Mac is better because, like, I didn't even have to, like, issue an update or anything to fix that. It literally said, no, bro, like, it's fixed now. Okay, so now you should be able to get CoLateral 1.0.4 make sure you do that update, guys. And I'm actually going to test it on my Mac here too, because a big part of that was trying to get the agents actually cooking in here. There's some bridging problem. Looks like we can fix that here with the latest update. So make sure you guys get that downloaded. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel and follow the Discord, and we will get you yourself a CoLateral license up and at it. Fable said a 70% drop in software sales by 2030. Interesting. Paint said, yup, it worked. Let's freaking go. Guys, that's insane. Why is it that like a huge issue like that took 4 minutes to do, but then when I try to like change it, like the color of a button, it takes 30 minutes? Yeah, well. Okay, cool. We're going to close that. So we're still waiting 12 minutes on that. Okay, the laggy robotic voice that is offered when you don't have Grok on your platform here. We got some updates. Okay, so now it just says it should just be a little faster. Okay, that should be done then too. Okay, let's clear that. Let's go. Actually, I'm just gonna close that. I want to make my terminals as simple as possible. This is what I was doing to manage the licenses, but I've been pretty good at doing it like just on my own now. So I'm gonna close this as well. Guys, it feels good. Like we are vibing now. Guys, night and day difference of like how stressed I was just yesterday to like how awesome I feel today. Okay, so it cooked for 22 minutes there, Paint, the markdown file that you gave. Let me take a look here, see what it says. Sorry, I'll move my head so you guys can look at it too. The audit's diagnosis was wrong with pointing to a real worse bug. Okay, so there was like some license APIs that could have had some security issues to it that it is fixed. Consequences part worth noting. A shipped build could never activate. Art beta release, it said nothing. It did not touch for cell stuff. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's done. Except sort out the beta seat accounting. Yeah, sort out the beta seat accounting. Our pool CoLateral placeholders. Oh, because there were some placeholders in there. I thought we did fix that, so I'll just send that. But other than that, I think our security audit should be good. Well, even for newbies in 5 years, they'll just make what you need. Yeah, like how fast these agents are cooking, like insane. Like I will not be able to do any like physical manual work on a computer ever again. Nick, are you running medium or high? Haduni, how are you? I am on medium? Actually, I don't know. It just says Opus 5. Come on, slash model. With 1 million contacts. So high? Oh, medium effort. No, so just medium. Maybe I should be going to high, but I'm just so sick of waiting so long. You feel me? Guys, what do you use? Do you use Opus 5 high? By the way, I keep forgetting that Opus 5 actually dropped, so I keep calling it Opus 4.8. And honestly, I don't feel like a big difference between 4.8 and 5. Not a fan of this song. We'll change that up, guys. Like I said, I'm considering getting Grok just because we have like the real-time voice that you could use on it. I'm just worried, is that going to use up a lot of my usage if I just like play around with that? But I almost have to. J35, you got the... Oh, I got to send you a... Did I send you a license already, J35? Because I know you said you downloaded it. I got to give you a license, my man. Also, I want to give a shout out today. There was a YouTuber that crossed our page here that he's been absolutely killing it. Yeah, Nathan's killing it on X, guys. Make sure you guys go follow Nathan on X here. Nathan Geckler. He's been absolutely killing it on his app. Everything that he's doing. Live streaming, go check it out, guys. 19 years old, building mobile apps. Unbelievable. You can't beat that. No, you didn't. I will try to bypass. No, don't try to bypass. You need a license. You need a license key, my man. Or actually, J35, tell me if you can bypass and I have a significant security issue there. Let me know. I don't think that Grok voice is using too much usage. Okay, that's good. Hey, Peter, how are you? Focus on your goals and us, your people who are here with you, and forget everyone hating. Yeah, you know it, Peter. Seriously. No, it's the bigger you grow, the more like haters that you're gonna have. Oh, frick! Bridgemind is live streaming right now. No talking. He's been grinding the last little bit, so you guys recognize that he was having a little bit of some downtime. Like he wasn't streaming as much. He like got some really crappy Wi-Fi at an Airbnb. He's been on it lately now. That's him going. So he's doing a no talking live stream. The no talking like goal equals 100. So guys, his like goal is 100 likes. I know we can get to 100 likes. So make sure we do that. And also recognize, guys, if I full screen this, take a look. He started to add his subscriber count on the left side there. It's the new cool thing, guys. So if you are doing your live stream journey, make sure you guys have your your subscription count up on yours, because it encourages a lot of people to get going on it. Keeps people in the loop for how big you're growing. Okay, that was amazing that the Mac update like shipped automatically. That was insane. You kill it, Nick the GOAT. Thank you, Houdini. Nathan W. Yeah, J35, let me know. I'm a little worried now, but obviously it's like if someone's gonna hack into CoLateral, I'd want it to be J35. Is this really the basement? Sure is. Sure is, my man. What was the matter of this? Fix local bridge launch. Oh, shoot. I was going to test on my Mac to see. Okay, for some reason, it's not installing. Paint, let me know if your Mac installed v1.0.4. Because mine's just like loading. Then again, I do have a really crappy computer. In a way where you get full access. Like, it's just behind some license keys that I generated. How do you make money with vibe coding, bro? I don't know. Haven't had it to me yet. Estimate is fine, just interested. How far are you from release? We actually just released a beta today. So we're testing that out for next couple weeks, and then we're actually going to monetize. Sarge is in the chat. 69 beautiful viewers. Remember to like the stream, guys. We are on a 100 like goal here. Stuck in the installing phase? Yeah, so we got the exact same problem, Paint. Yeah, oh. Yeah, I mean the exact same thing. Thanks. I'm gonna screenshot that, and we're gonna get that fixed. I thought, oh, so beautiful, like it fixed it, but now, no, it's just stuck on loading. Hey, okay, so recently I just asked you about updates not getting through for Mac users, and so now like that got fixed, but you can see that when you try to install the update, it just says installing forever. It doesn't actually fix this. Please resolve this ASAP, as we need Mac users to get their updates through. What's the ADE? Oh, this is warp. Not CoLateral yet. W Paint again. little self-love never hurts, guys. Yeah, always make sure you love yourself first and foremost. Houdini says, I will tell everyone about the app that what could be a buyer. Thank you. Yeah, we need revenue, don't we? I think I'm gonna have it prompt to. So we have 1.0.4. Yeah, just make this confirmation for me, please. For Mac, Windows, and Linux. Oh yeah. We are vibing away, guys. We are happy. Bro, teach me too, please. I don't know how to just live stream your progress and have people give you really good feedback. That's the best thing I could advise. Paint says, I mean, I would give you access to my AD, but it's Mac only right now. I know. We are still waiting on CNVS coming out to Windows, baby. That's gonna be super exciting. I can't wait to be on that. Because I told myself, it's like, well, okay, I could keep fixing up CoLateral so that like it truly is an agentic environment that I could like literally start working in. But CNVS, oh, it's just so pretty. This one, like, should I consider the agents could be like transparent windows? That could be something we could do, is like quasi, because I was taking a look at what you had, Paint, with like the agents being like transparent windows like this. Oh, it's pretty. It's pretty. I just don't know if that would ever look good on a light mode. What are we building? We are building our agentic structural engineering environment, CoLateral, the all-in-one engineering workspace of the future. If you want yourself access to the free beta, make sure you subscribe to the channel, follow the Discord, and send me a DM, baby. Yeah, I wanted to ask Max when it comes out. Will be huge. Sure will be. Okay, so we did an update on CoLateral, and this is what happened to our Claude code here. So sign into Claude Code, pair this workspace, run the agent service. Those are the 3 steps that you guys will have to go through. Once that's the case, then your terminal should pop up. Okay, that scared me. It took a while. I think this could look a little nicer. Yeah, we could package that a little nicer. Oh, you guys notice actually the background kind of... We're having some troubles with the background. Like sometimes it has like the grid view. No, that... Because I told it to simplify in an update and it shipped it. Yeah, I'm really happy with how the design turned out. It was much work, but 100% worth it. Yeah, it looks great. Should this be coding or playing hockey? We're coding, baby. We're vibe coding. So for all we care, we could be playing hockey at the same time here. We got all these terminals cooking. So we already shipped 1.0.4. And this is very much dependent on fixing up that Mac problem there. BRB, all right, you got it, my man. 81 viewers right now, guys. This is awesome. I got to stand up for this. Remember, guys, new people here, like the stream, subscribe for more. We're going to do some push-ups at 1670 with a beautiful surprise. A beautiful surprise, y'all. Okay, so I haven't updated. So I'm going to check to see if my Capital Command Center... So I ship updates to my Capital Command Center now, too. Or at least I try. I don't even see where updates could ship. Uh-oh. We got the Claude Max plan and then a GPT $20 a month plan. Uh-oh. What happened to our logo there? Hey, it's not obvious enough when we ship an update. Like I'm booting up these Capital Command Centers, and there's no indication of where I can find the update button. So you need to make it more obvious when we're trying to update. Frickin' rights. Nick couldn't join over the weekend, but caught some of the playback. How was the weekend? Any more progress? We finally shipped our beta for CoLateral, so it is ready to play with. I highly recommend you check it out, man. So go download it at colateral.engineering, and then send me a quick DM on Discord, and I'll give you a license. What's going on, Cruz? CoLateral beta dropped, y'all. Finally. Finally. Oh wow, we got a lot of stuff to read here, don't we? So these are still cooking. I'm still worried about, yeah, whatever, just ship it. Yeah, just go with the next prompt. Recognize that we already shipped update 1.0.4. Okay. Yeah, fix that Vercel ignore step and proceed. Uh-oh. I always do the wrong one. Fix the Vercel ignore and step and proceed. Congrats, big moves. Feels good, man. Huge weight off the shoulder. By the way, guys, unfortunately, I will not be live streaming tomorrow. Heading out to a concert with lovely Brooke. So, it'll be Wednesday. We'll be back. We'll be back. Up and at it. Then Thursday we'll be going again, and then the weekend I probably won't be able to stream too much either, so I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, in the meantime, play around with CoLateral, let me know what's broken about it, and we'll fix it. What is this app? I know there's so many terminals here. This is Warp. How much has it cost me so far? It just cost me like AI subscriptions costs, but I don't even consider that like as a cost, like I'm losing money. I only see it as Nick, bad news. I'm getting off a plane in Toronto in the middle of the night, August 14th. No. Oh, are you kidding me? Patrick Anthony 1470. You better explain yourself right now. You better explain yourself. Is this like a push-pull method? Because you said you couldn't, then you said you can. Now you're telling me you can't? Oh, no. This app takes nerds and locks them in a corner. You know it, Hawk Files. You know it. Okay, it looks like I need to just update my Vercel. The download page is still in 1.0.3, has not changed. Okay, that's a problem. And the page down, Vercel limit clear after 11 o'clock. What? 2300 UTC tomorrow. Okay, let me know when it's supposed to actually like refresh Eastern Standard Time. And if it's gonna be pretty late, then I might actually have to consider like upping my Vercel usage limit. I should be, guys, because like I just have the recreational plan, like the one where if you're actually shipping stuff, like you're not supposed to be on it, but Nick, we could also add a Discord bot for opening tickets in Discord server so people won't flood your DMs. Actually, Paint, that's a really good idea. Do you know how to set that up? Or do you think, like, is it something you could do that as an admin? Or is it something I'll have to do and I could just, like, prompt Claude to rip around? Oh, I'm not saying I'll not be there. I'm just saying it's going to be a tough battle on for the championship. Okay. You scared me. You scared me to death. I thought you were saying you couldn't do it. Woo! Is this whisper when you talk? It sure is. I do also have Handy. I don't know if it's like working right now. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so I also have Handy, which is just a local dictation thing, but I just use Whisperflow right now because my invoice came in, so I have to pay for it anyways. Okay, so actually good news on our Mac update. Oh, two things I should act on right now. Your Mac testers are already on 1.04. No, we're trying to install 1.0.4. And then the problem is, like, you can't go to CoLateral.engineering and install a latest update because, like, my Vercel limits are just, yeah. How much do you spend on AI? Too much money. I'm new to all this Vibe coding stuff, just curious. It's very interesting. If you want to get into like this kind of workflow, you need a Claude Max plan, and I'll let you look up how much that costs. And is Whisper free? No, it costs money. So I'd recommend ask if you have a Claude membership. Ask Claude how to set up Handy. Handy. What's up, Ashawn? How's it going? Guys, we got 82 viewers here. I love to see it. Come on. Remember, to the new folks, subscribe to the channel at 1670. That's kind of like 1.67 thousand subscribers. I will do some push-ups. So get me to work, y'all. Get me to work. Okay. So I'm going to shut down CoLateral and then try again. And then Paint's our other Mac user, so Paint will also let us know what's the problem here. Do I understand what's happening here? Absolutely not, Beta Pro. I have no clue. But that's what's so fun about it. Okay, actually, Paint, if you check your close CoLateral and then check it again, because I might, like, you might already be up to date. Like when it said installing, let me know what you get and I'll tell Claude. Wait, so is each terminal one Claude Max subscription? No, it's all like sharing the same subscription. How often do I hit it? Like, I don't get stuck with it, like, but I get close. I get close to it. So for reference, we started on Saturday afternoon, and it's what, Monday today? And then 25%. So let's say I get to 30% by the end of tonight, and that's okay, a third of my usage about, right? And that's been Saturday afternoon, Sunday, Monday. So that's 3 days of a 7 work day week. Like, I'll be just fine. The only and the thing to recognize too, though, is like I only do this part-time. Like I literally just like grind away on this. Like, sure, for like 5 hours every day after work. But like if you try to do this full time, like even that, you might get stuck. Just trying to use the Claude Max plan. If you use GPT or anything else, you will be just fine. But when it's Claude, you gotta watch out. Okay, so yeah, it's for real up to date. The fixes are working. That's good. That's great. Okay, so it's just weird. I'm gonna tell Claude though that. Wait, I have 1.0.5 now. Bump this version to Atari. Blah blah blah. Tag it. Okay, I just want to tell you that, yeah, so it just like was still saying installing when we did that. And then what I did was I closed it and then booted it up. And then it said I was all up to date with 1.0.4. So it was just like some glitch in which it just said continually installing. So I want you to ensure that that won't happen again with users on both or all of Mac, PC, and Linux. Oh, my whisper. There we go. Are you an engineer? Yes, I am, sir. I work as a building designer. Do you use Codex as well? I have it, but I don't like using it. I'm just not a fan. I'm literally considering getting Grok today. But now I'm seeing like I might have to pay for like Vercel. Okay, so, oh dear. Yeah, our counts and still in the windows. Like, that's not good. Under 100 cap. It's 7:59 p.m. now. 56 of the 123 pushes in the window landed between 8 p.m. What the heck? That's a model built from pushes to main rather than Vercel's on counter. I can't read that. Whatever. Up in the plan. I think the way to way isn't today, but being usual, it's that today probably isn't. Yeah, today's not usual. We're shipping CoLateral. Like that's unusual. Oh, I see we're blowing up in the chat here. Roblox. We're not playing Roblox. I'm only trial mod, but don't have permissions to do that. I can do that when I had. Oh, okay. Paint at this point. I'll just make you admin. I got to figure out how to do it. I'll get you there, my man. Paint. Guys, we might have an open in mod view. Guys, how do I how do I bump up paint from trial mod to admin? Meant software engineer. Oh, no. What are you using for Vercel for, front end or everything? Vercel is just where we're deploying. I thought you already had Grok, and it's gone. its usage blew out real quick out us. I believe Grok 4.5 under Cursor has decent usage limits, and if I remember correctly, Cursor is cheaper than a Grok sub, but maybe fact check me on that before consider. Okay, that's interesting now. Oh no, it begins again like last time. Yeah, trying to get you upgraded here. I don't even know how I did. I literally think I vibe coded your way up to it. That's what we'll do, guys. Okay, so I'm trying to get paint from trial moderator up to admin, okay? And I don't know how to do it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna vibe code it. So we're gonna go into a new session. Just making sure, yeah. Okay, I need you to go onto my Discord Nick server, and I need you to promote Paint 361 from trial moderator up to admin. There we go, guys. When you don't know what to do, literally just ask Claude. Let's freaking go. Guys, remember, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Big things are coming onto this channel. You do not want to miss out on this journey. If you're lucky enough that you saw us here, you have to subscribe so you don't miss out again. Go on settings of the server, then role, then put an admin. Yeah, I'll remember that. Thank you. I'll see if this does it for me. Woof. Won't have to do anything ever again. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna check out CoLateral on my Mac here, guys. This isn't too interesting, I guess. So I got it. I still have the. Oh, it says the agent bridge is starting. Did not report a log within 5 seconds, so stopped. Holy crap! I literally have a Claude terminal in here. Wait, no. Yeah, it's literally like signing me in, guys. Paint, were you able to get your agents into CoLateral? Claude is anti-paint all the time. Oh yeah, it begins again. How much does AI cost me per month? It's a lot. I'm Canadian, so everything's a bit more expensive. It's about $300 for Claude, and then like 20 something bucks for Codex. Using CoLateral on the web. Imagine Claude closed down completely. What's your next model to work with? Oh, Grok. Maybe it's just quick and fast. I know it's not the best. Like honestly, like I don't know. People say Kimmy, but it's slow. GPT 5.6 Soul isn't that bad. I just don't like working with it because I'm stubborn. You feel me? Yeah, 160. That's for the 5x max. Yeah, I use the 20x. Yeah, proceed with that next prompt. All right, maybe not. Proceed with that next prompt. Proceed with the next prompt. Could you guys not hear me or something? What are we working on? We just shipped our desktop application CoLateral, which is a structural engineering agentic development environment. If you subscribe to the channel and if you follow us on Discord, I will give you a license key. We're currently trying to set up like automating like distribution of those licenses. So yeah, trying to play around. So actually I don't hit the 5-hour limits too bad. It's because like I stay away from Fable. I just like, I love Opus. So I play with Opus. Yeah, that's mostly it. So I don't hit 5-hour. Okay, I'm just testing out on my Mac here. Yeah, guys, I literally got Claude working inside of here. Hey, just testing to see if you can spawn in another Claude agent and then prompt that Claude agent to spawn a spreadsheet onto the canvas. Okay, so it's working pretty well on my Mac. And it did it. Oh, there's no pan feature when you're on a laptop. I realized that. Shoot. Guys, all right, we got another update to ship. What is the app called? CoLateral. Interesting. Okay, so it's nice when you have the mouse drag, but like... Okay, that is a significant issue that we gotta fix. We'll just open another agent. Claude. Claude. Okay, a significant issue that exists when you're using CoLateral on a laptop is, first of all, the hero introduction page, like the speech text that BeamBuddy says, like gets cut off. So I need you to review like the sizing on when you're on like a small laptop screen. And then furthermore, like again, the background just seems by default like very busy. So we're gonna fix that. Like you got to make it like a little lighter and simplify it. And I also see like the buttons at the top, like when something's selected, like for example, draw, like it just goes all white there. So we need to fix that on. I'm just viewing this on my MacBook Pro laptop, but I need you to like check this. And then also, when you're on a laptop, when you're scrolling like with the mouse wheel, like that's how when you click the mouse wheel and drag, that's how you drag on the canvas. But there's no way of actually dragging on the canvas and panning around on the canvas when you're on a laptop with just the touchpad. So we need to have functionality for panning around. I think it could literally just be like for example, on a Mac, it's just like the two fingers like swiping away is how you drag, and then to zoom in is like the pinch function on a laptop. So let's implement all that. All right. Sent that off. We're trying to fix up the laptop version of CoLateral. This is interesting. This is honestly my first time playing CoLateral in the laptop. It's my fave Claude model. Like people talk about going back to the old Opuses and stuff. Like for the most part, they just get better. So I can't say, oh, 4.6 was the best. I tried Fable 5 and it's not really a huge difference. There is a huge difference. It's really slow and it takes up a lot of usage. I've failed to find like very good use cases. Sorry, I gotta plug in my laptop because it just friggin' died. 2016 battery lasts like 20 minutes. Okay, but Opus is just great because it's like I always run to Claude when I have a big issue, and yeah, it's fixing up everything for me. Okay, decide the shape of the beta now that the counting. Okay, I think our security audits are all good there. So I'm gonna clear that. Okay, finally some things are opening up here. Oh, and they want me to sign the PC app so bad. Rad Wolf, what's up? Oh, yeah, check to see if we got promoted to admin. It's taking 8 minutes to do that. And if I open up my Discord, like, I haven't seen any action going on, so it literally just might hate paint. Let's see how long Claude takes to vibe code me to admin. Yeah, 8 minutes and counting right now. Absolutely, I think Opus cover a lot. Really do love it. It has helped me build local. Yeah, oh yeah, it can literally do anything now. Tarmac's going to bed. Good to talk with you again, Tarmac. Thanks for tuning into the stream. Good to see you. You had a good sleep. So Windows installer stops throwing smart screen. Like, this was literally just like fixing people's complaints, and it's like, well, you should pay money. Like, I'm paying money, what, for Vercel to not like die on me? GitHub's asking for money, Claude's asking for money. Like, there's so many things. Like, software is actually, guys, like, as someone like developing and just who launched their first application ever, there is so much. There's way too much when it comes to the whole software world. Like, oh, you got to pay for every single step of the way too. Like, it is expensive out there, y'all. Like, having Claude is just necessary. Challenge this machine repeatedly. Of course it challenged this machine. What did I even ask again? Sprop seed with the next prompt. It was something, check whether Vercel has headroom. So are you telling me that I actually have to have this app signed for Windows for you to actually finish your goal? Or are you just trying to like sell something because there's money laundering? Yeah, get some good sleep. GitHub is free, but if you do like too many commits to it, then they charge you. And something happened with our code base when we were launching where it used up all my GitHub usage within a short amount of time. And yes, Rad Wolf, the beta is for sure out. We are just like cooking right now, trying to get a lot of updates fixed up. Wow, my MacBook is such a joke. It just died on me because I had it unplugged while CoLateral is just sitting there. Yep. Disappointing. Oh, not commits, you're thinking. Yeah, just GitHub actions in general. I think it says like, what? It was something like minutes that it said in my email. I gotta check that. Oh, great. Now I'm getting spammed with more emails. Yeah, just a bunch of stuff was failing. Action minutes. Weird, yeah. GitHub action minutes have, sorry, it's not commits. You can commit as much as you want. It's just any action for however long. I'm not on extra. I'm literally just on medium, but still everything takes like 30 minutes. Yeah, buy it when you start charging strangers. That's what I thought. Like, I won't buy it for the beta test. It's $9.99 a month. And like realistically, like we're not going to make money on CoLateral for another month. So I'm not going to worry about signing until that's the case. Because everyone beta testing watches these streams. Like, they literally see like how it came to be, you know? Oh, Tarmac, I got like 80% of what you said, which I think is enough. So then, thank you, man. The accent was fine. You have great English. Just gotta run your actions on release branches and then commit as much as you want to a feature branch. Okay, yeah. It's just crazy how like I blew through all of that so fast. You tried GitHub projects spec kit. I'm ultra surprised that you can do for planning. Your planning architect, etc. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a look at that off stream. See what we can fix up. Woo! Yep. 62 viewers, guys. Happy to see it. Remember to subscribe if you're new. I've started to recognize, guys. Yeah, we obviously had a huge blow up for subscriber count. And now it's just like, because the live streams were just huge for getting subscribers. And now it's like we've got like such a good audience here that we're not growing as much, because it's just like, yeah, it's the regular folks coming in, and it's great. Like, we found our niche audience. So if we want to grow, like, it's very much just dedication to marketing CoLateral. So growing on X, you know, doing like more long form content, etc. I thought I did pull up a capital command application boot up here. Gotta check what's the deal with that. Oh, reloaded. No, I did not see a banner set up to date. Okay, I see the check for updates now. So I was just checking this. Get out of here. Yeah, this is my Capital Command Center. This is where I'm going to be uploading the content from. I keep saying Claude debugging. I'm kind of sick of that. Anyways, yeah, you can source flow agents. Okay, beautiful. I can see it now. One thing that we need to update next is the source flow agents tab. Like, sure, that can be okay for like a settings for where we have like our agentic workflows. But again, I kind of want like the orchestrator agent to be a search bar at the bottom. And that's like where I can run like Claude, for example, to like run my actions. For example, sending an agent off to go like download my latest video and then upload it and like manage it through the pipeline. I want that like just at a search bar at the bottom. Not just as like a subsetting source flow agents. Oh. Remember, your goal is to make this as like seamless and quote unquote agentic as possible. There we go. Yeah, guys, now that I'm thinking like, oh, I gotta get Vercel, GitHub wants stuff, signing, like I'm kind of hesitant in getting Grok usage, because we're spending a lot of money and obviously we're not making much yet, but you gotta spend money to make money. Yeah, Steven Adams. Oh, don't worry, I'm not tired, guys. Oh, it is 8:30 though. That's exciting. Actions burn faster on Mac OS runners. Yeah, I saw it's like twice as much. It's horrible. Now I'm on a PC. So I'll take a look, see what the deal is with that off stream. Guys, I'll probably stream till like 10 o'clock today, so we'll be a little lighter of a stream. So it'll be like 3.5 hours, but that's okay. I just, I've recognized, guys, like in streaming, like I can't work and then I can't be working and then streaming until 1 a.m. because there's so much stuff that I have to ensure that there's so much stuff that like I have to do off stream that I gotta obviously take some time to get cooking on. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Oh, so we're just waiting for those agents. Okay, most of them for the most part cooked up, so we're okay there. Just gonna boot up. Oh, looks like we can ship 1.0.5 already, guys. Let me know in the Discord if y'all are looking for some more licenses. Oh gosh, my internet. Guys, let me know if you could still see me. Seriously, I can't even boot up anything anymore. It's ridiculous. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Flying away, y'all. Flying away. Da, da, da. Oh, J35. Hey, sorry guys, I see. Yeah, semi-license. How'd you get CoLateral 1.0.0 on the web? Is it just out there? Gemini or Chat GPT? What's my choice? Chat. Gemini's kind of silly in my opinion. Oh, wee tad bit silly. Time for a push-up. Oh, thank you for subscribing, Mason. Nick, answer my call. It's urgent. Okay. Like urgent enough I could be on stream for it? Opening CoLateral without licenses. Let me hear. Nathan!
Nick.
What's up? I'm on stream, by the way, so don't say anything. I'll put you in jail.
I can't be on the stream. Like
What?
actually right now. It's something about collateral. Just can you like make it so no one can hear us for a second?
Yeah, how do I do that?
Oh gosh. I don't know.
One second. Hold on. Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, sorry guys, that was my aunt. She just wanted to wish me a happy half birthday, which was like a month and a half ago. Oh, would you look at that? 1670 subscribers! Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Y'all know what we're here for. All right, I'll have to do some push-ups. We got some funny sounds coming right up for you guys. Turn the music down there. Let me know how the volume is there. I had to do some work there. But in the meantime, half birthday, let's go. All right, push-up counter. Looks like we're past 300 due. All right, I'll get to work, y'all. Y'all want to see it? I'll give it to you. Here we go.
Kamehameha. Again. He needs some milk. Your arms are shaking. Get up. Again. Down. Your arms are shaking. Is that it? Nice. Somebody get the certified. Skill issue. Absolute cinema. It's over 9,000.
Let's go. It's over 9,000, y'all. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you guys for subscribing to the push-ups. I love those so much. Yeah, oh, J35, I'll give you a license pretty soon here. Just one moment. All right. Oh, wow. What do we do for 2,000 subscribers? Houdini's asking. That's a great question. We got plans for 1,750. Thought we could hit it tonight, but it's getting late. James, what's up? All right. Let's get back to it, y'all. Drum solo, 2,000, we could. Driver's pump for the CoLateral beta. J35, sorry, I keep procrastinating. So many things on the screen all at once. My computer won't even refresh. Come on. Guys, we finally got DeepSeek cooking, but I just don't know what to use it with because it's silly. You know? Okay, come on, refresh the page, y'all. Goodness gracious. Okay, sorry, J35. I'm trying my best. Pretty sure I gave one to build a thicker. J35 gets one. I just subbed. Thank you for subscribing. Also doing the same thing, just not live streaming. So, yeah, dude, it's a vibe. It is an absolute vibe. Oh, Paint just had it where we got ticket distribution there. That's awesome. Let's go. Wait, so did it vibe code you as an admin? Let's see that. Where? All right. We only see your camera. Oh, sorry. Let's get back to it. Sorry, guys. I was struggling there. J35. Oh, those are the keys. Don't take them, guys. But this is where we can get our downloads. So if you guys are interested, make sure you go to CoLateral.engineering. Make sure you grab yourself either a Windows, Mac OS, or Linux download here, and then just ask away for a key, and we will provide it to you. Arian says, I can't activate my license for some reason. Nacho, what is up? Good to see you here. Well, what are you on? Or Arian, are you like past the page and it's like asking you to like, it's asking for your license? Send me a screenshot of where you're at, Arian. J35. Thank you. I'll implement that. Make sure we do that. How's the launch? Painful, stressful, exhausting. It was hard, and we're still trying to launch. One thing they don't teach you is launch is not like one single moment. All right. Hey, Claude, we received this from a beta tester for CoLateral. I want you to review this file and ensure that none of this inside of here will break existing functionality. I want you to ensure that this won't sabotage anything, and it simply just serves as a security audit for CoLateral. Oh, my whisper flow won't snap, baby. People are already using the tickets in the Discord. That's good. Because they're probably sick of me or waiting for me to DM and do the whole thing. What's going on? We are building a structural engineering application. So go check out CoLateral.engineering. Download the free beta on your console, on your machine. And check out the Discord. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Join our server. And we will get you a license for 2 weeks free access into CoLateral, baby. Which is this beautiful software that you see right in front of you, where you can spawn in GPT or Claude agents and ask away to design your building for you. Let's frickin' go. All right, let's see what these prompts all did here. Actually exercise the updater end to end. This might be out of date, this one. I think we're all done here. That's the updater, huh? More like this. Yeah, proceed with the next one. Okay, we might be shipping a new update coming soon. It's good that these updates are shipping at least. I'm gonna at you in tickets where it's needed. Sounds good. .409 conflict. I see your concern there, Aryan. I'll screenshot that. That's painful. We got that all cleared out, so I'm gonna ship this. Come on. Hey, one of our beta testers got this error message in inputting the license key. Perhaps you can A, review to make sure that this is actually a valid license key, and B, if it's problematic, I need you to resolve it for me. Potentially we could just give them another one if this one's just broken or stale. Aryan, I might just give you another one. Let's freaking go! I gotta check the Discord because, oh yeah, I got message requests. People want it. And then pending requests. Yeah, guys, I'll get around to those DMs. I'll be streaming today till 10, and then off stream, I think I'll just tighten up some of the stuff, and then I'll make sure everyone gets their license. And then, like I said, I won't be streaming tomorrow, so that's why I'm taking some time off stream. So then that way you guys can play around with the tool. Let me know what problems there are. We'll fix it the next day. Oh, so I see tickets. Oh, so is this like people just requesting tickets? Steven Adams needs one. All right, we'll ship out the what the folks need. Oh, Aryan, I don't know if yours went through. Aryan, let me give you a new one. I think I copied one, but it didn't. Okay. Sorry, guys, just doing some stuff back here. Aryan, try that one there. I just sent you a new one. Let's freaking go. Instead of vibe coding, use something basic like Scratch or Penguin Mod, because I know those. Yeah. If it ain't broke, you don't fix it. Yeah, that's I like that. Okay, perfect. Aryan's on. And Lord Cat needs a license now. Lord Cat. Enjoy CoLateral, my man. There we go. We're almost up to date, guys. I think we're all good. Perfect. Okay, everyone's got their usage for CoLateral, guys. If you are interested in getting yourself a CoLateral license, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you join the Discord, and make sure you just go to the bottom here at this tickets page. This will then get you access to a license on CoLateral. So yeah, get it while it's hot, baby. 2 weeks free. Wasting away in a barrel. All right. I'm just testing out on my Mac. Thanks for the license. No problem, Lord Cat. What's up, Sean? Hey, Sean Scott. Guys, I want to give a huge shout out to our man in the chat. This is exactly who I was talking about. Who's next in the scene, y'all? I'd love to introduce you to Mr. Sean Scott Official, who's been blowing up. I've been getting a little bit jealous about it, but no, he's been doing great. My YouTube is just trying to boot up. Of course, you guys know how bad my internet is, but Mr. Sean Scott, vibe coding at the beautiful age of 19. What a time to get started. He's been streaming. He's been on like day 25, 24 or something of his journey. He's been killing it. Make sure you guys go check out his channel. Big W's. Everyone's recognizing. Yeah, I think Mr. Sean Scott, I think you got a shout out from Bridgemine today too. He was on stream. He was giving yours truly, of course, some love. And then Mr. Sean Scott got some of it. So big W's for that. Want to lift everyone up, you know it. Yeah, proceed with that next prompt. All right. Yeah, this is great. We're just checking out to make sure everything's shipping. Guys, it's really hard to actually like keep coding when like things take 30 minutes to do. I really will, like once we get our feet planted and all, we will get grok agents flying away, doing some quick stuff for you guys. So tune in. Direct link. Okay, yeah, we're getting tickets flying, guys. I love to see it. Come on. Mooses is on a journey. Quick question about my journey. So far, I've been like a glorified freelancer. How do I identify what niche in business to pitch and sell for that exact customer? Do what you love, man. Like do you have a pain point? What would you be a customer of? And then find people that have the similar problem as you and then ship it to that customer base. For me, I'm a structural engineer and that's exactly what I'm doing. Shipping some structural engineering products to people who need it most based on my pain points. Just want to say what's up while eating Panda Express. Have a good stream. You know it. Guys, go check out Sean Scott Official. I tried doing it, but it says my internet's broken, but we're obviously streaming. So, yeah, make sure you guys go check out Sean Scott Official. 50% extra usage ends August 5th. So in 2 days, mean all Claude usage. Yeah, no, that's scary to note. I'm really hoping that Claude can start to simp for us again, like considering Grok is releasing a new model. I don't know if that's going to put any pressure on Claude to kind of smarten up and help us out a little bit more. Default color. Yeah, there was a bad thing where the default color was a darker color. Yeah, fix that text note color as per the next prompt. Doing so many Claude Code sessions. W Sean Scott Official. Go check him out, guys. I would, but my internet just won't allow me. Hello from Greece. Welcome to the stream, my man. Good to see you. Love to see 71 people cooking in here. Yeah, guys, we already got all of these. Goal is simplifying betas, copy, leading, blah, blah, blah. Done alive, confirm Vercel's. Yeah, confirm Vercel's build cache marker persists by checking the logs and next deployment. J35 thinks CoLateral's looking good so far. Yeah, let me know if you have any troubles getting your agents implemented into there. I'm gonna see. Hey, microphone blocked. Allow access for the site and try again. Oh, how do I get access to the site? Okay, Aryan says, I found something which can be fixed. Sent DM. I will take a look at that DM. Guys, my YouTube's just booting up. Just booting up. Oh my word. I can't even spell Sean Scott Official. Oh my word. And when I say Sean Scott, was that even the right guy? I just got a bunch of rappers now. Well, you guys know where to find him. Okay, I'll take a look at my DMs there, Aryan. Yeah, trackpad. So we already implemented that as a change. Whiteboard canvas for my project. Yeah, so now it's gonna be like you can pinch to zoom in and out, and then like 2-finger swipe will pan around. So yeah, thanks for noting that, because we just spotted that, and it should ship with one of these. One of these coming soon to y'all. And then yeah, J35. I'm gonna try to find. We're trying to like take down that public use of 1.0.0 on the web. Just grabbing some water, y'all. We'll be back in a sec. Let's freaking go, baby! Juan asks, bro, when are you gonna start to make money? I will make money when we monetize this. Oh, guys, we are close to actually making YouTube money. I want to show you our YouTube analytics before we go any further. We are waiting a long time for a lot of these guys to finish up anyways. So I will show you my YouTube analytics. If YouTube actually decides to load up for me. Guys, I've never had it this problematic. Like we're streaming and then just like YouTube just doesn't pop up. I'm like, are you kidding me? Yeah, no, Joe, Sean Scott's been popping up lately. Like I said, I'm jealous. He's like he's the new toy that everyone wants to play with. And I'm like Woody in Toy Story. Andy doesn't want to play with me anymore. How many watch hours? I'm just trying to boot it up, but like nothing loads anymore, man. I don't know what's the deal. My internet's just been absolute garbage. Like, this is what I mean. Like, I'm so cheap. And, ooh, 1 second. Current indicated. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a look on my GitHub because now it's like metering usage. And I'm actually racking up a bill right now. This isn't good. Like, I don't have my credit card implemented in a GitHub, so what are they gonna do? Or is that... I don't know. Guys, I'm gonna have to look at this. Yeah, my GitHub's been getting usage slammed up on it. But is this just like in general? Like, how can I look at last month? Like, obviously this is covered. This is free. But look, like $10 between the beginning and the end of July. Look at current year. Okay. It's just like August 1st. Like, look when I do current month. Like, the fact that it's up to 1079 gross is pretty bad, right? Pretty bad. At least the stream looks good. Thank you. We are hitting 2K soon. I don't think it'll be as quick as you guys think because we have been starting to slow down on growth a little bit. Mind you, I haven't been streaming as many hours as I used to. That's not true. Our view count has been unbelievable. Guys, look, I'm still trying to load up YouTube. There we go. There we go. Okay, but take a look at this, guys. Like, I don't know. It's... So we hit our, like... Not our commits. Our, When are we start going to make profit? I was just going to show you our YouTube analytics here. So, just 1 second. I'm going to pull that up. Sean Scott just finished streaming, y'all. YouTube Studio. I'll show you when we start making some YouTube monetization, which is a great start. Oh, wow. We're at 1679 subscribers, guys. We need one more for 1680. And I will do a round of push-ups. So make sure you guys subscribe. Bananas to the moon with the viewers and subscribers. You know it. So, guys, take a look at the analytics here. Here's a quick update. This is, as of yesterday, we have 3.8 thousand watch hours. And if you guys remember, all we need is 4,000 watch hours in order to get monetization on YouTube. But of course, YouTube's on a 5-day delay. So it only recognizes 2,300 as of July 29th. So tomorrow it should get like another 300. And then hopefully the next one we actually get it. And then, so that'll be for supers, so you guys can like donate to the stream, shop in if I ever drop merch, and then some future milestones, like we said, at 4,000. We only get like 12,000 shorts views. The shorts don't mean anything right now. We're on different sort of move here with the live streams, of course. But yeah, 4,000 watch hours. That will probably get recognized, I think, like next week, guys. So I'm super pumped to see that. So. Yeah, pumped, baby. Absolutely pumped. So YouTube's doing well. This app is like, guys, again, like this application is going to be really hard to market to just like random strangers on the internet. It's seriously going to be like having to do some lunch and learns and sharing it with people out in the real world. Okay, so that will take some time. I ain't scared though. Doing what? Yeah, guys, unbelievable. We're still having all these agents cook here for CoLateral. So we might take a look at, I don't know, Capital Command Center. So this is where we asked it, hey, like, make it so we actually have orchestration implemented into this so that, like, I can kind of just talk my way through my social media distribution. Oh, Paint, how many hours you've watched? Yeah, it is a lot of returning viewers, watch hours, like, really climbing up, so... Appreciate you guys for supporting as much as you do. Carousel now is stills behind it. Oh, that's amazing. Installed it from the banner. Agentic. Okay, so we can close this. Clear that. Amazing, guys. And we got to 1680. Let's go. All right, I do want to do another round of push-ups. Y'all keep pushing me to go my absolute hardest. So let's give it pretty well. We finally fixed a lot of our problems, but we're also running into many other problems. So, uh-oh. Please tell me the stream is still okay. Hopefully we're back. There we go. Okay. There we go. We're back. Okay. Foot cam, y'all. You know what it is. Time to do some push-ups. I know, that was scary. All right, let's get to it, y'all. What? It's not doing any sound.
The subscribers are watching.
Never mind. There we go.
Certified. Skill issue.
You guys notice it's not picking up a lot of those? There's the foot. Hope y'all enjoyed that. All right. Paint reporting for duty. Paint has been promoted to admin of our server. So cheers to Paint. Thank you for everything you do, my man. Woo! Should I take a... I should take a melatonin because I got to get up early tomorrow. Big day. We're going to do it, guys. The only drugs you'll ever see me take. Melatonin. No, it's not Red Bull time. I'm really going to focus on getting great sleep. I was feeling kind of like moody this weekend. I think it was just the stress of trying to launch CoLateral, but that failing on us. So sleep is the #1 priority, y'all. There we go. Oh yeah. How are we doing on our like goal, guys? I'm gonna check in. You know how mad I am when we don't get it. You know how I am. Let's see it. Remember to like the stream. Sorry, I got supposed to dissolve under your tongue. Guys, this is ridiculous. My YouTube won't boot up. Opposite of Red Bull. Complete opposite. Complete opposite, y'all. Okay, amazing. Let's ship these. Click install in the banner to get it. Let's do it. Oh, it's already shipped. Perfect. Oh. Guys, my computer, unbelievable. Capital Command. Yeah, these are still cooking. I honestly think like these are just slow because my internet is slow. I literally think that's the only reason why. Could be. Could be the only reason why. Okay, yeah, like YouTube won't even boot up. This is ridiculous. Bridgemine just finished his no talking stream. Guys, we're at 1680 subscribers. Let's frickin' go. We're almost up to 100,000 views on this channel too, which is awesome. All right, let's see how many likes we're at, guys. 67 likes. We're about I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. We're 2/3 of the way to our goal of 100 likes, guys. Remember, it is so important to get there. Please show your support. Actually, I'm gonna see if Sean Scott pulls up on my page. Yeah, guys, I think this whole vibe coding until live streaming thing is really popping lately. Really popping lately. Yusuf, what's going on? Good to see you. Yeah, guys, remember to check out Sean Scott here Although I am jealous, I did tune into his stream. Look at that, 3.6K views. That's pretty much how many we get. But see how many likes he got. Watch this. 236 likes, guys. Oh, Capital Command Center. 236 likes on his stream, guys. And we can only get 67? Come on. Come on. Oh, I do want to show you like near the end of the stream. This is pretty cool. Or it's somewhere where I give him a solid follow.
It can get expensive.
Oh, it must be at the very end. There I am.
Where, bro? Thank you for the subscription, bro.
Listen to this, guys. This made my day.
Bro!
Watch this. Watch
Make
this.
sure to subscribe if noti's on. You get notified every time I go live. It's great, man. It's great. But yeah, man. Hey, yo, Nick, what? What's up, Nick?
W's.
Bro. Holy crap.
Look how happy he is. Look how happy he is.
What's going on, Nick? Appreciate you watching the stream. That's so cool.
Frickin' rights, baby.
That's
Frickin'
insane.
rights. The man is happy, yo.
Welcome
Look
to
at
stream,
that.
brother.
I've never had
currently
someone
at
like
600
happy to
views,
see
which
me
is crazy,
before
bro.
like that.
Crazy, crazy, crazy.
And then I leave a
Love the stream,
comment.
brother. Keep up the hustle. Hey, bro, I appreciate it. It means a lot coming from you.
You hear that? Means a lot coming from you. What did I do? What did I do, guys? I just came into the scene like a week ago. Are we already like influencer level? Let's go. Feels awesome. Good to see it. But yeah, go check out Sean Scott official. He's been killing it. He's jumping up in subscribers. All right, back to the music, back to the streaming, back to the vibe coding. You guys want to see vibe coding? You want to see vibe coding? I'll give you vibe coding. Okay, right here. Beautiful. Look at that. Update is ready. One change waiting. What's new? It literally tells me what's new, too. That's awesome. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. This is the orchestration layer in our Capital Command Center, y'all. Oh, he knew you paint? That's insane. Yeah, ask Claude. Arian uses your Claude subscription. So once you set up your agents, it's just on your subscription. Let's frickin' go. Ludwig is sponsored by... Oh, guys, by the way, I got an email from someone at the C4 team when we tried to get ourselves a energy drink subscription. I want to show you. Womp, womp. Hi, Nick. Thank you for applying to join Team C4. While we couldn't place you in a campaign this time, we're so grateful for your interest in the community. As a token for our appreciation, we'd love to give you 20% off your next order on our website. Use code THANKYOU at checkout. So guys, if you want, because I'm not going to do it because they didn't accept it, if you want 20% off of any C4 product, make sure you use code THANKYOU at checkout to get 20% off. So yeah, that's unfortunate. Very unfortunate. There we go. Giveaways. All right, actually, hold on. I was trying to see. Yeah, that's still just updating. Takes a while for it to boot up. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, guys. Okay, this is unbelievable. Like, no way I prompt 6 like Claude code agents and they all take 18 minutes. Is it literally just because of our... Bro, I started streaming thanks to you and Bridgemine. Yeah, Nacho's on the streets too with it, man. Everyone go check out Nacho. He's been vibe coding. Nacho, my only recommendation. Get your face out on there, man. Don't be afraid to show the world who you are. And one thing I recommend too to you guys is if you're gonna do vibe coding, don't do AI thumbnails. Like, it's somewhat of a paradox, but I find like just being your true self, like everyone in the AI world, like is able to snipe what is AI and what's real. Like we're all vibe coders, we know what it is, right? So people want authenticity, they want a story to follow so they can relate to it. we know what AI is, and it's just like if you kind of use it for your thumbnails, I think you kind of just like blend in with everyone else. So just be your authentic self. Welcome to SpaceX API. I don't got API. Okay, beautiful. Our Capital Command Center is still trying to get that update. That's very on Fortnite. I got all these open. That's silly. Oh, close the one that needed it. Great. You know what? That was probably also stuck on the update too. I will literally say this. I will probably... Okay, I tried using the banner and it took a very long time to install the update, and I bet anything when I open it up again, it'll probably show up, I need you to resolve this, so it actually just like implements the update without infinitely like waiting. I can't stand seeing cheesy thumbnails from everybody. Yeah, just like, you know what, guys? We will have a transition period. We will. Listen. This is a good point. Nick's making a good point. He's going to stand up for it. He's going to stand up. Y'all listen up. Listen up here. Okay? There will be a time in which utilizing AI, if it hasn't already, becomes cringe. Okay? Like, AI is good until it's not. So stay to your authentic self. When you are marketing things, don't use AI. When you're using thumbnails, don't use AI. Just stream who you are. I will literally tell you that unedited yapping videos are becoming the next new trend because they're just so raw. They're so real. People are like tying into that more than like people are like liking the crazy CGI ultra edited videos. Like if you guys take a look at a Mr. Beast video, like it kind of loses its touch if it's like way too much CGI and it's like so much dopamine coming all at you all at once. Like I'm telling you, the more we embrace this AI industry revolution, the more we're going to appreciate just human connection. So I will tell you there'll be like a big uprising of like channels that are just people just talking. Just people talking. Straight facts, Nacho. Show me that beautiful face of yours. Okay, so again, kind of just waiting on those. I think from here. GitHub Actions refuse and run since I'm private. Every job dies in 2 seconds. Yeah, fudge. I gotta have to look at my GitHub thing because something went really haywire. I'll deal with that off stream. I think it's a matter that I'll deal with. I know you guys don't want to watch me sit around pluck away at a payment. I was considering Grok, but like now that everything's so expensive, Vercel wants my money. GitHub wants my money. Oh yeah, hold on. Allow it for the site and try again. So Paint, actually, did you test out on your Mac microphone access? That's something I'm gonna have to prompt. You know what, DeepSeek, you can take a breather. This is just kind of in a miscellaneous tab, but like it's important for what could be another update in CoLateral. Not understand why your GitHub usage is up. I don't know, man. Like as soon as we were starting to ship all these things, yeah, it's just like closing these branches. Like it said I went through the monthly usage in 3 days. Like me trying to launch, I don't know. There was just like a billion things that went haywire. And I tried asking Claude, like, what caused this? And it's just like, you smoke crack, dude. I'm like, all right, cheers. Yusuf's wondering what CoLateral it is. It is our application, a structural engineering ADE that has just launched as a beta release. And it is absolutely free to download if you subscribe to the channel and then join the Discord. We will give you a license to play up with it. It doesn't have the pop-up thingy where you can, yeah. Okay, we're gonna fix that. Claude. Goodness gracious, can we get Claude? There we go. Hey, so we launched CoLateral and One significant issue about, I'm like using on Mac, for example, I'm trying to utilize the microphone access. It says microphone access blocked, allow it for the site to try again, but there's no pop-up to utilize microphone access. We need to provide this ASAP and make sure that this is good to use on all versions of the download. Oh, guys, that, I gotta admit, that, woo, that melatonin got me tired. Urgh. Woof. So we'll get that poppin' loppin', y'all. Guys, did my stream die again? This is ridiculous. Guys, are we back? Are we back? Are we back, guys? This is ridiculous, my internet. My agents... I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, guys, I don't know. Let me know if we're back at it, guys. Back down to 5 viewers. Jack's Films.
What if I guaranteed you 1 million views or you didn't pay anything? That's not a pitch. That's literally our offer.
We could
Here's
be
how we
back.
can make it
Yeah,
work.
that's good.
Our average client
That's
gets
good.
15
Use grotesque Gen AI in your thumbnails. Some actual advice: make your own goddamn thumbnails, even if it's a still.
This is freaking ridiculous. Oh. Guys, let me know. I know it's lagging pretty hard, and like I'm the only person in this house using internet. I can't even boot up X, guys. Like my agents are like that, like the difficulty of launching an app. The difficulty. Look at this. Now Warp won't even load up for me. I think we're back, but look, now Warp is just gonna shut down like mid prompts here. I don't know, guys. I don't know what to tell us. You all still there? Look at this. We're getting DDoSed. But no, it's not Task Manager. It's my internet because it shows disconnect every 2 seconds. Look, that's not Task Manager. Sure, we're at 76%. Discord, what is Discord doing with half a gig? Either way. Yeah, no. These nodes. My CPU's clocked out too. Look, and even this is... I don't know, guys. Drop frame rate. Can't get anything working. Are we back? Are we back? Are we back, guys? Our agents are still getting at it. You can ask what we are building. Yes, it is just an inappropriate time to do so. This is CoLateral, free beta, out and about right now. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you follow the Discord, and we will provide you access. Guys, I think we are so back. I'm at 0% watching. Yeah. Guys, all right. I don't know. DDoS attack. We'll blame it on JD 2020, whatever. Task manager. Look at that. 100% okay, you saw 100% GPU. Now 0% doesn't even make sense. Well, look, it's laggy even there. This is ridiculous, guys. Look at that. Do you see that lag? Look at that lag. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's these Node.js puppies, isn't it? It's because I have... I don't know what to tell you. Go to Network Lab. Where's Network Lab? On the left. There is no Network Lab. I don't see it. Performance. Yeah, tell me. Is it literally like whatever these runtimes are? Like, why is this one taking 5 gigs is a great question. Performance, that's what I thought. There you go. My CPU. RAM took a cooldown. We're back. Well, yeah, but like, is my RAM usage gonna like log up that much internet? Claude used Node to run scripts. I know. Yeah, I know those are Claude things, but it's just like, goodness gracious, like the fact that they use like 30 gigs, just them. It's frustrating. Oh, don't go to app history. You'll see some wild stuff. Yeah, I know. I know. Is that something like literally I should just have like a Claude code session look at? Like, why the frick am I using so much RAM? Like, right now I have only 2 terminals cooking and we're at 56% memory. And mind you, this is 64 gigs of RAM. I couldn't tell you guys what was mucking all of that. You know what? Miscellaneous, frick it, let's ask. That's still cooking. You might have viruses. There's a low chance. Yeah, I think it's a low chance because I would recognize them. This happens just like intermittently. And I don't know, guys. I don't know, Mattress Mac, which RAM sticks I got. How can I check that? Where's like about this PC? Just awfully slow. Hey, I'm running like a bunch of Claude sessions and everything, and I'm streaming. And when I stream, like I lose a lot of internet, and also I I use up so much RAM. Like my RAM gets clocked out, and then my whole computer like freezes up. But it doesn't make sense because like I see people with a lot less RAM like run all these Claude sessions. So what could be like spiking up my CPU and my memory all at once? Can you do like a big investigation to see like what would be like the big things and like where we could actually like learn to cut down on some of this, on anything that's redundant or just not necessary, or if there's something that's like a virus, I don't know. All right, Claude to the rescue. Need thread paper? I don't know what that is. Language. What's up, Thomas? Yeah, it's the node processes, but is it normal for them to be like that heavy? Well, look at my CPU now. 91%. With WhisperFlow Hub, my second favorite hub, being the second highest usage of my CPU. We are back, guys. We are back. I will be streaming for just half an hour more. But we back, baby. Yeah, the only sketchy thing I downloaded is technically CoLateral. Because I didn't sign it, so it was seen as scary. So guys, I don't know, CoLateral. It's not CoLateral. It was a 49 megabyte download, and it's awfully easy to use. So far, like the zoom in, that improved tremendously. So I'm glad we got that. Here, I like a dark mode for you guys. Then this background just seems a little lame, you think, eh? Like it'd be cool if we had like the canvas type of backgrounds here, but we got to keep it classy and professional, right? I don't know. There's some. These ones are pretty lame. Little AI sloppy, eh? How do people get like really pretty pictures? Chris, what's going on? Saw your Max streams. Want to say good luck. Thank you, my man. We have just shipped our beta, so lots of relief there finally. Happy to see all that coming through. So thank you for tuning in. Grid, course. Oh, no, that's like an ugly car, huh? Interesting stuff, at least. We can make the buddy bigger. Okay, best available, David. Oh, guys, I forgot. We have voices now. So the best of voice available is David.
This is how the orchestrator will read replies aloud.
Here's Mark.
This is how the orchestrator will read replies aloud.
And here's Zira.
This is how the orchestrator will read replies aloud.
They're a bit better, but they're still like...
This is how the orchestrator will read replies aloud.
Hey, orchestrator, I want you to pull up a Claude agent that will then change the schematic frame designer into literally just one concrete wall. I wonder if it'll do it. Wait, microphone muted. That's not supposed to like stop the process. Oh, that did nothing. Claude is working on it. Okay. He's not talking though. He prompted this agent. I bet anything this agent won't do.
Claude Code is still working on the concrete wall conversion. I need its latest terminal output before I can verify completion and report back.
What do you guys think of that?
I found a live Claude Code agent. I'll check its current task before redirecting it, so we do not interrupt active work blindly.
That's pretty cool. It still didn't focus on it.
Claude Code is already open and working. I'll inspect that
So
terminal
that's one
first,
thing we'll get.
then give it the requested change once it is ready.
Hey, one thing that we have to update is when I did a prompt through the orchestrator, it didn't do like the focus card from the orchestrator the same way as if we were to type it. So I need to review how when we type a prompt to the orchestrator and send that off, it needs to be the same as like the voice agent. Or sorry, I should clarify, the voice agent orchestration speech to speech has to function similarly as the text one. There we go. There we go. Send that off. Okay. This was an audit.
I'll use the existing Claude Code
there we
terminal
go.
and direct it to replace the selected schematic frame designer's current scheme with a single concrete wall.
Let's go. But will it do it? That's the great question. That is a great question. Yeah, guys, still a lot of work. Still a lot of work to do. Hey, what's your GTM strategy? What's your distribution strategy to sell this thing? For marketing, cold calling, we will, I work as a structural engineer, so I know a lot of contacts in the industry. I know a lot of people in construction world. And also we've just been killing on YouTube specifically. Hopefully we get some traction on X, and LinkedIn will be very important too. So we'll be doing all of that right there. I built an AI assistant like Jarvis for Iron Man. It's very smart with voice. Afraid the assistant of Batman. Do you want to use it? Tamara, that sounds great. If it just uses, I'm curious like what you mean, because we do have like Grok voice real time implemented this. That I'm just checking out the free version of this. Okay, this is not good because it like focused on this card. Oh, I love that where it shows like the text saying, I'll use my existing Claude terminal. Hey, furthermore, when we dictate a prompt, it doesn't actually like send it in the orchestrator search bar. Like the voice recognizes it, but it doesn't actually like send it off. It looks like. So review that. Send an agent to like actually like use the speech thing and see what happens there. Oh, guys, that melatonin's killing me. Ah. Oh, thunderstorm for paint. Watch out, y'all. What? Okay, guys, the first thing it said is consolidate my OBS browser sources. Are you kidding me? My browser sources are what's killing this stream? Tuppy wants Jarvis. He wants to be the man. Oh, so this got stuck. That's a problem. This agent is asking. This agent asked a question, but it didn't focus on it. So that's something we got to fix up. Hey, we had an instance in which I had the orchestrator prompt an agent, and that agent was to like update a tool card, for example. And I was like focus mode on the tool card, which is good, but the agent had a question and needed my response. And we were not like redirected to that. So I wasn't even aware that it needed that. So we need it where like the program will like iOS like animation transition take you to that agent that needs a question. You answer it right on the spot. Like the user will answer it. There we go. We're just doing some itty bitty prompts, y'all. If you like the stream, make sure you subscribe. I think we can get to 1690 tonight. I think we're awfully close. But it's full access granted. The systems can do anything human. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Bypass all permissions, baby. This is starting to look good, though. And then if I wanted out of this... And again, very problematic that this agent still isn't connected to the card that it was supposed to work in. Flash clear. Hey, I think we should add like the ability to like toggle a little bit of transparency in the tool cards. Take a look at like a tool like cnvs.dev where, you know, they got some beautiful transparency so that it shows like the beautiful background. And I think that's something that we can implement into this. Currently all the cards are a bit opaque and I think it's a bit hideous, to be honest. So let's make these cards a nice, pretty itty bitty bit of that. That could be a slider set in the settings for like the transparency of the cards. And also we should allow for a setting to like change the sensitivity of panning and zooming, etc. There we go. We'll got those. And then, yeah, like I said, guys, off stream, I'm going to take a look at why Vercel and GitHub want my money so bad. Worst case, we might have to just spend it, but it's just I wanted to ball out and get Grok, but now I'm like, oh, but I gotta spend all this money. Oh, at the same time, oh. Trust me, Nick, the orchestration agent is a pain in the bum. Yeah. I'm the guy in the chair. Thoughts on context requirement creep for AI on large back-end projects? I have no clue what you're talking about, Big Billy. I'll be honest. I will be 100% honest. Oh boy. Yeah, melatonin, y'all. Woof. Hitting hard. Yeah, it just holds on to that. So that's one problem that we're gonna fix up. And this working 8 minutes, and it hasn't even like pulled up. It literally just looked at this. It hasn't even pulled up a new. I think this is new. Sorry guys, the background's like kind of hideous again. Okay, so now you can scroll that. If I made that a small window, yeah, you can scroll. That's good. Did that. Oh, that's not good. Looking at these tidy options, it doesn't make sense. Oh, you gotta toggle pain zones. Oh, shoot. Okay, so I've never actually played with this functionality, but obviously this doesn't work too well. Because the pain zones are way too big for some of the tools. That'll be a fix-up, won't it? Ouch. Alright, slash clear. We'll fix that up. Hey, I need you to have an agent review the different settings for when we allow for cards to be just introduced in pain zones. They are very big areas, so when we introduce these cards into these pain zones, a lot of the tools aren't even usable. So you need to have it where we can scale up the size of the tools here so that they can fit inside these pain zones adequately. Oh, my whisper flow doesn't want to mix or snap on. Oh, of course. Sorry, guys. 218,000 words yapped, by the way. We've been killing it. And then I will show it. This is the screenshot I want to show. So obviously we have quad here. This is where it's like if you wanted 4 panes, look how small it makes everything. This is something that pane actually brought up is like, bro, your left sidebars, this increases the canvas significantly, like of the tools. As you can see in the images, the canvas of the tools are like somewhat decent size, but it's just like the whole tool has to scale in order to be beautiful here. Let's freaking go. Our good man, Mr. Matthew Miller, has decided to show up here. He has arrived, y'all. What's going on, baby? Nick, we're on a generational run right now. 3 hours without calling Brooke once. Yep, I do have the shakes, though. I do miss her a lot. But hey, we're on a mission here, guys. We're on an absolute mission. There's an ugly bar. Hold on, we gotta throw that back in there. Hey, you also have to see that the connectivity between the different tools is absolutely hideous in these different panes. We gotta fix that up. Let's freaking go. DJ Rubes, what's going on? Let's have a night, y'all. Grid array. Yeah, when we toggle the different views, it needs to bring us there, y'all. 2 rows. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, that's just thrown 2 cards. Yeah, so obviously it messed up the sizes there, but we can fix that up. So that's reviewing a couple agents there. Sorry, you couldn't see what I was looking at there, but yeah, look, this is all just an absolute mess, right? So that's when we go into here, looking at the different pane zones. Unfortunate to see that. AD and whisper flow, let's go. You know it. This is how we all start off. This is how we grow. This is how we evolve as vibe coders, guys. Just vibing. You guys know it. Y'all know what is up. Okay. Fill zones with selections. Okay, and then after you do this, you actually can't zoom out to get out of it. So I gotta queue up another message here. Okay, when we're in the different pane zone selections, we have to allow for zooming in and out to like get out of that, because I'm kind of stuck in this right now and my tools are way too big and now my whole canvas is messed up. Resolve that, baby. Resolve it. Oh. What a past couple weeks it has been on this channel, you guys. Yeah, when we're on the pane zones, we actually can't zoom in. That's heartbreaking. So this is the absolute mess that it leaves us with. We will resolve this, guys. Don't you worry. The beta is out for testing right now. We got a few friends playing with it. Oh, yeah, and you see like the grid shows up when I grab the cards like that. Ooh. Guys, we got a lot of fixes to take. Oh, heavens. Yep. Long ways away until we actually monetize this product, guys, but I am not worried. Everybody's got their own timeline when it comes to building. So, guys, consider what you see in front of you. Consider this as like, hell yeah. People on day one, they're not going to generate revenue, and that is completely fine. I just want to show you guys that. I want to show you guys. Take it easy. Vibe coding space will explode next week with the release of Gemini 3.5 Pro. Oh yeah. Things have been a tad slow lately, but that's a-okay. Let's frickin' do it. Yeah, there's no reason this should be working 14 minutes and trying to get a schematic frame designer cooking up here. Absolutely no reason. I could just go into Claude and just say, hey, you're taking way too long, man. Fix it up. Let's do that, you know? I'm telling you guys, sometimes the dumbest prompts are the best prompts. Just say, hey, you got to be faster. Yeah, let's just queue it up there. Hey, you got to be faster. Like when we're talking about this orchestration agent, prompting some other terminal agents here. These terminal agents are just working way too long. I know we're working with Slopus 5 here, but come on, we got to pick up the pace. Like, talk like an absolute idiot. I swear it works better than if you were actually detailed in your prompt. I swear. Don't limit your scope. Just say be faster. The amount of times I gave a stupid prompt and it works. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you. Try it. Oh yeah, and Grok 4.7, we're excited to see a little bit of that. Want to see some upgrades there. Wonder if there would be a way to connect a GitHub account into CoLateral. Would be an interesting way to be able to code with the product too. Interesting. I am interested in getting a lot of connectors onto CoLateral. One of them being Autodesk, so people can bring in their existing AutoCAD and Revit models into the CoLateral space. And now we got ourselves another great idea. So I'm gonna write that down. Pen and paper, old school, y'all. GitHub connectivity. Let's freaking go, baby. Yeah, Grok 4.6 on its way. Like we said, we are Grok fanboys as of recent time. Grok real time has been beautiful as a beautiful implementation into CoLateral. The one thing, okay, there's another like itty bitty details, but it all matters for this beta, guys. Bean Buddy changes to purple when we do a Dracula theme, which by the way, doesn't look like we got that perfectly. If we go here, canvas, obviously match the theme. Okay, everything's purple. Not this guy, not this logo. Itty bitty little picky thing, but guys, we fix that up. We pick things up and we ship updates because you guys deserve the best. Yeah, the lag was fixing, guys. We were having awful problems with our internet once again today, but we are on top of it. We are not worried about a thing anymore. The stream continues, baby. Somebody subscribed and wants some push-ups. Okay, if the counter switches to 1690, I will absolutely do another round of funny push-ups. Rich Mind, thanks for tuning into the stream, man. Always a big inspiration. Great to hear from you again. And thanks for everything for setting up the Vibathon. I think big things are coming, man. So thanks for tuning in. Let's freaking go. Oh, just like that. All right, all right, all right. Nobody go nowhere. Hold on. We got some push-ups to do. Where's my push-up counter? Oh man, I had way too many Chrome tabs open. You know what? I deserved all those lag spikes, y'all. Oh, my camera. Hold on. Look at that, guys. Look at that on the ground. We'll give you push-ups. Don't worry. They are absolutely coming. So here you go, foot cam. Enjoy what you see here. Welcome to the show, y'all.
One more. Is that it? No way. Skill issue. Weak. Sheesh. Somebody get this man a towel. Kamehameha. Skill issue. Too easy. Down. Up.
There we go.
Repeat.
Oh, I did one too many. I was trying to leave that 269. Shoot. Sorry, guys. Oh, there we go. I love that. I love the sounds of that new counter. I love it. Oh. Unbelievable. Well, thanks, guys, for getting us to 1690. I guess we got to keep streaming until we get to 1700, right? That's going to be unbelievable. So close to 2,000 already. Woo! My grandpa did more push-ups with Sonnet. No, I'm an Opus stan. Opus stan, y'all. Love to see these terminals cooking. Love to see the additional prompts that they're willing to offer us here. Okay, this one's clear. CoLateral is going to the moon, baby. Y'all know it. Y'all freaking know it. Feels so good. Okay. Yeah, guys, I have to concede. I did have like a million Chrome tabs open. Can you blame me? Yeah, you can. Who else is opening them, Nick? Come on. Come on. All right, I got some things to cook up. Toppy! I should be running crypto scans. Great idea. Great idea. No, we can't be doing that, y'all. Yeah, you know what? Go with that next prompt, baby. How do you start a couple years ago? Got a shot. It's too late. Well, a couple of years ago, this technology didn't exist. So it's a whole different game. So to say that it's too late, no, that's not true. The fact that this kind of technology is opening up now, I think there's many opportunities for startups to really get a huge advantage in the game to arise. So I wouldn't worry. Like literally, like what do you mean it's too late? Like Fable 5 came out like 3 weeks ago. Like you tell him, Nacho. Yeah, y'all tell them. Okay, yeah, we've just been having Vercel failures and GitHub not wanting to ship updates. So guys, I'll make sure the latest updates as of tonight are shipped. Please remember to get yourself a license for CoLateral. We will get you on the application. We will get flying. We will be taking a look at all of the itty bitty little changes, and we will make sure that everything that you guys recommend will be done into our code base. So don't you worry. Good things are about to happen, y'all. All right. Rich Bob was in our chat. He loves us. Yeah, we got a restream report. That sucks. We were up to 82 peak viewers earlier today. That's awesome to see. Thank you, guys. Not bad for Monday. Okay, I closed up all my windows, so there should be no excuse now. Merely, I will see you. Thank you for tuning in. And with that, guys, I will actually probably just make sure that these close up, and then I will be off as well. Like I said, 10 o'clock. I will have to be off the stream. I'm going to take some things to do off stream because I will actually not be streaming tomorrow. I know. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, I can't stream tomorrow, guys. Heading out to a concert. But we will come back really hard on Wednesday, okay? So don't miss me too much. And mind you, progress is not done. Still uploading videos. We're still marketing. We're still doing everything we can. It's just the live stream that I can't get back to, okay? So, and the beta, like if you guys are on CoLateral, like I appreciate all the work that you do to say, like if you guys are beta testing while I'm gone, I don't see that as progress loss. I see that as still improvement. And guys, I'm so happy with the improvement that we've been making these past couple days. Seriously, if you look at our workflow literally from like 2 weeks ago, completely different. Like now our agents literally know what we say. Just do it here. Just do it here. Look at that. It recognize, yeah. Come on, Whisperflow. Just do it here. Stream tomorrow, make no mistakes. Yeah. Would you guys be happy if I just had like an AI clone of Nick here streaming for you guys? Would you be happy with that? You want the Julian shirt and the thumbnails? Y'all love this shirt, eh? Y'all live it, eh? It feels good. Yeah, 2,500 viewers. We will get Brooke in the chat. Y'all know it. Or not in the chat, in the stream. Y'all know it. Yeah, guys. Slopus. Oh, that's the one thing we learned today. Yeah, finish off with that last prompt. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that these are all shipped and updated. Oh, we got the same mic. Sean Scott is back at it again. Remember, guys, go check out his channel. The next one up. Yeah, I love this microphone, man. Sounds good. And get people in your chat to give you like suggestions for like adding compression and doing like what's like the voice gate, so it doesn't recognize like background noise. Yeah, beautiful settings that your fans will give you if you just say, hey boys, what do I do with my microphone to make sure that I sound great to you guys? It was amazing. Sean Scott loves us. Let's frickin' go. We love you too, my man. This is us. Absolutely bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. Thank you, Paint, for tuning in. All right, guys, actually, before we get off, like I said, we are so close to 1,700 subscribers. I can't get off that 1,690 something. Although it looks like 1.69, which is funny. It is funny to see that. I just refuse to get off at this moment. I know when I scream, it peaks. Absolutely, man. Oh, I'm peaking like 2. But people like a loud voice. You don't want to be too quiet. Just remember that. If you're too loud, people will like yell at you. They'll comment. They'll be like, you're too loud. But you're grabbing their attention. And that's all that matters. CoLateral to the moon. Yeah, it looks like I'm streaming from the moon right now because my Wi-Fi is just not cooperating, guys. I will get my consultant Tuppy the Third to figure out how the frick we can wire me up. I know it's gonna cost money. Everything's costing money. That's the thing, is like I gotta take these like costs that everything's doing and just like spread it out a bit more. Guys, I still gotta get a new camera because y'all don't like my push-up cam. Like, why not? Push-up cam. Look at that. You don't like all? Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Y'all don't like that? Y'all ain't like that? There you go. Hold on. Tuning into. Make sure you guys. There you go. Well, he's got the air horn. You could consider that as why the volume peaks there. But unbelievable streams. Looks like I didn't like that one yet. Make sure you guys go check out Mr. Sean Scott. 475 subscribers. Big things will happen, my man. Just keep it up. This is about day 25 is about when things started to pick up for me. So any moment now, any moment. So yeah, y'all make sure you check the man out. But like I was saying, remember, guys, I am absolutely so stubborn when it comes to how many likes we're on these streams. And 1694 subs, guys. We need 6 more before I can go to bed. Please. Please, I took a melatonin. Please, guys. And I'm actually happy looking at this here. Our stream didn't shut down entirely where it made like 2 separate videos. This is just one, which I like. I like it a lot. So guys, I'm going to check out how many likes we're on. You guys can see, like, this is my perspective, how long something takes. I'm starting to realize, like, these agents are probably just limited to my internet. Like, that's what's taking them so long. 22 minutes for card transparency. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Yeah, Paint, I will deal with the licenses. I will... Like, I'll be gone tomorrow at a concert, but like worst case, like on my downtime, I'll make sure you guys have some licenses ready to go. It'll be spectacular. Oh, sorry, yeah. Give out the licenses to the rest of the tickets before we go to sleep. Wow, more tickets, guys. I love to see it. I'd love to, but like, again, this is my Wi-Fi, guys. This is ridiculous. I don't even know if I'm still streaming to you guys. Like, unbelievable, y'all. Okay, there we go. That's what I look like. Ew. Guys, 84 likes. Come on. Come on. We got to get a bit more there. We got to keep pumping up those numbers. I need to see 100. This is the part of the stream which I start begging, y'all. Oh, Nathan's live streaming too, guys. He's on day 3 of his ship-a-thon. There's so many a-thon
That's so awesome.
variants now. There's vibe-a-thon, ship-a-thon.
Oh,
Yo! He got hit up by Bridgemine. Let's go! Let's freaking go! W Nathan! Let's go. Dang, solid marketing. Nice work. You need a long-term story arc. What is long is the ship-a-thon? Day 5 vibe code until it reached 10k MRR. Stream is really good. I think you should keep going. It's story arc. Getting a lot of viewers in the ship-a-thon. Just be part of that. Chuck, what's up?
I don't know, man. I'm kind of.
John Scott pulls
like
up in this too. Y'all are just wildin'. Let's get you wired to Ethernet. Yeah, Tuppy, can you wire me up, please? Oh, I'm gonna say.
Like this. Yo, what's up, Paint? We're making content for the app right now.
W Bridgemind. Let's freaking go, y'all. Let's freaking go, Nathan. What type of question is that? Look at that. Bridgemind subbed. I want to see his reaction, hey? You guys want to see his reaction? My agents won't stop cooking, guys, so we're going to see his reaction.
W Bridgemine? Yeah, Bridgemine was in the stream, man. Is he in your stream too?
He sure was. Yeah, go give me a view, Nathan. Actually, guys, we're going to test out to see if Nathan... Look at that, right on the top there.
Is he in yours as well?
Oh, he did like the stream. Only at 85. He's going to see stream session
right now,
here. Actually, my agents won't stop. Yeah, he sure did. Shoot, Nick caught me. Yeah, Paint. You said you were leaving. You just went to Nathan's stream, bro. What the heck?
Wait, what do you mean Nick caught you?
L Paint.
What did you do? Wait, guys, I'm gonna look at the sub count really quick.
Nah, I can't say L Paint.
96 subs, man. Oh my gosh, dude.
Road to 100, and Bridgemine's one of them.
I hit 100 on stream, or I wake
Let's freaking go.
100.
Oh, Ayo, my boy, you are not gonna make it out. Oh, I'll make it out, all right.
Bam to your toothbrush.
I'll make it out. All right, this guy's watching streams or tickety-tocketies. Oh, baby. Unbelievable. Guys, remember to subscribe to the channel. The updated flow works now. I wasn't actually able to see that. I will have to get some more content pumping out very soon, guys. So I will actually have to take like maybe a day where I can't live stream. I literally just got to pump out like stream highlights and all that on shorts. It's so behind, guys. Like I batch uploaded so many clips, so it's like the shorts that come out of my channel are literally back from the sit down days all the way back there still. Sean Scott, just realized Bridgemine commented on my stream after the vid. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys. What programming language? I have no clue, my man. No, JavaScript for the most part. It's a little bit of everything, to be honest. Hey, yo, my boy. Where's it? Hey, FK Tossin, I want you to comment again. I like when boys get chirpy. Okay, I thought I had a yapping in the car. Okay, that's problem. Oh, guys, hold on. I just realized we had a orchestration agent here. This could be the same silly sound. Read only versus actions armed. Could start work. Do start work. Hey, I want you to go to our day 13 yapping until I can buy a nicer car video. Oh, and I'm muted. Hey, hey, I want you to go to my yapping until I can buy a nicer car stream pipeline and go to the carousels. Oh, what happened? I need Microsoft Sam telling me that I'm doing a good job.
That run is done. 20 outputs are ready to schedule, including the long form edit, 10 shorts, podcast MP3, carousel, and posts. 5 of the shorts scored low, so worth a quick look before you queue them.
Okay, show me the carousels. It's not working great. Show me the carousels. Oh. Show me the carousels. Okay. It's just like, it's weird because when you click the button, it shows like a microphone with a cross. But that's just saying like click the button and you will
That run is
mute.
actually fully done. Every stage is ready, with 20 outputs waiting to schedule. The only thing to eyeball is the 5 low-scoring shorts before you queue them.
Okay, show me the schedules though. Like this
Let me
orchestra has
pull
to be a
up
bit
that run's
more than
details
just.
to see the carousels.
Okay. This better be more than. What's 9 plus 10?
19 want me to keep pulling up that run for the carousels?
Yes, pull up. Yes, pull up that run for the carousels right now. Hurry.
Pulling up the day 13 run now to grab the carousels.
All right, let's see it, guys. Come on. What's 9 plus 10? That's right, 21. That should be a sound effect on the push-ups. So guys, I'm gonna go back to my push-ups. Let's see. I'm gonna see if DeepSeek can do it. Oh my. Okay, so we got a DeepSeek sesh here. We used 1 cent so far today. Hey, okay, so a lot of my sound effects for the push-up counter involve like an old Microsoft Sam voice kind of like talking to us. And I think they're hilarious and I want to double down on that. So I need you to do a what's 9 plus 10, 21 in that voice, along with many more like mainstream Vine like references. Let's freaking go. I don't know if DeepSeek can get it, but we'll figure it out, y'all. All right. I don't know if this is actually doing it. Pipeline run status. So I will complain about this. Bro, just give up. Let's go. Love the positivity. Keep that up, man. You'll go a long way with that. All right, let's get back to Capital Command Center. I'm going to tell this orchestration agent. Okay, first of all, this doesn't seem to actually pull up any of the stuff that I want. Rather, this is literally just like a voice chat bot, it seems like, but it actually needs to actually like navigate the system and be able to click like the different formats, like right here in this. You could see that I'm trying to ask it to take us to carousels, but it wasn't able to do that. So review the functionality of everything this orchestrator can do and actually take me there. Wait, guys, is it because I'm dumb and it's like flipped? Like this, we're in read only. Take me to the carousels for day 13, yapping in my car. Oh, fudge. Wait. Oh, and Whisperflow didn't do it. Come on. Take me to day 13, carousels, yapping in my car. It's not working, guys. It's not working. Furthermore, if there's like a request happening, then we should allow it to like stop and Like we should be able to like cue and steer. Like this has to function very much like actual chat. And it's a bit confusing when we like toggle the microphone when it's like off versus on. Like it's kind of flipped where when it's actually listening to us, it shows that the microphone's not on. We have to we have to like indicate that like the microphone is listening. Same thing with like read only versus actual actions, etc. There we go. Okay, fat prompt there. Absolute nanny of a prompt. Ugh. Okay, send that off. Let's see. So now I'm not in read only. This should actually take me to the carousels for that.
Day 13's carousels are all lined up, 8 slides written and ready to schedule. The whole run is done, 20 outputs ready, nothing queued, so it's all waiting for your review.
Okay, take me there. I don't know if it's actually doing it, guys.
I could not reach the model just now. Try again in a moment.
All right. Yeah, so we're going to prompt that away. Hope that gets somewhere. Yeah, and gosh, these have been slow. All right, it's merged. Beautiful. All right, guys, it is 10 o'clock, 10 after 10. This has been a very successful stream. I'm very happy that, first of all, we got Bridgemine in here yapping with us. I'm happy to see that y'all were getting wild in the chat. We did have some internet problems, but we resolved that, baby. We did have some problems. Oh, dear, I made a payment. Oh, never mind. It's just the start of the month. Okay. Had internet issues, but guys, we did ship CoLateral, the beta, all ready to go. So guys, I will 100% make sure that we get all the licenses to all the people that request it. We will get all the little itty bitty problems fixed up, and we will make it the best experience you can get out on the market for free, y'all. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Guys, like the stream. I was looking for 100. I'm not even gonna look at it. Not gonna look at it. Not looking. So anyways, guys, thank you so much. So much for tuning in. Guys, I will see you in the next one. Remember, the next one's going to be Wednesday. You will still see a car yap tomorrow and everything else as regularly scheduled, but just the stream will be another time. So until then, my friends, thank you so much